Be to the most I give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. See, take what you take and go do what you do. You know what I mean? You alright?
Yeah.
What you want to say?
Subscribe and hit the notification button and make sure to subscribe.
Ready?
Welcome again, guys. It's the girl Anisha here. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. It is free.
Golden from Kissing Town. You know what I mean? Big up yourself. No mess around. Yeah, man. Anyway, watch a movie here. Let's go.
Yeah. Our biggest problem is us. Nobody fighting us but us. We are our worst enemy. This is what my vision said to me. We are our worst enemy. Sing it with me, you know the truth. So well, I've been fighting from a local youth, trying to grow and make the girl them bear the fruit. But there's just be a fight, and it's be a fight, day, clear night. So there's nothing I can do here anymore. There's nothing here I can do anymore. Is it too late for us as a people? Is it too late for us? Is it too late for us to understand that we going back to the? Is it late for us to see we are our biggest problem? Ain't nobody fighting us but us. Ain't nobody defeating us but us. Yes, we are doing it to ourselves. Doing it to ourselves. Nobody can fight we like we. We're the best of it. But let us learn. It's time to learn. It's not too late for us. It's not too late for us. Let's go.
Dell'amo.
Deportees.
Go on.
Long time I don't see you know.
Yeah, man. I'm there, man. Remember say give me the first strength done and deport me, you know.
Yeah, man.
And that's how I get the name the stick for me, so everywhere I go, Deportees. Which I license and name there, but they call me, have to pay me. So I did it.
Pass me a pass and from me see nothing me know say you.
Yeah, man, I'm there going with the chance, man.
I look good though.
Yeah, man,
Like free video.
Yeah, some people work, somebody want me to do it today. I only go because I come back on foot, yeah, now they back on foot. I'm going to lend me, we use start off and look at things, some look at landscaping, look at this, look at that. So somebody can go look on the place to see where we can go. Plus, you know, so we live next door already. You know what I'm saying? But if you buy this salon here, I'm doing some work on it, so now check out if it's so we will start.
Like you see us still, but anyway, check me the account check you know. Because I call your phone from
Yes, it's true.
About 2 weeks or
so
something, you know,
phone,
see, you know.
the phone job. You know, so
well that.
I go, I report the girl and say the thing. And the phone drop. But if I saw this.
Right.
Yeah, man, come here from woman I had. Should I never
Well,
do that?
for yourself, because guess what? The reason why I did that call you now to tell us say, you don't fly out, you know.
Yeah, up a year ago. Caribbean or over
No,
America.
man, America, Florida, me I go, man.
A good lick that man.
$4 a day.
One-
What they call it? $4 a day?
$4 a day.
Oh, me say it right here. Me think
Yeah, man.
foolishness nature.
No,
That's
man.
me not used to them place.
No,
I'm
man.
just out dropping it.
So you got the place?
Yeah.
Remember who you be first.
Yeah, man.
You're a Jamaican first.
Yeah, man.
So one of the things you must always embrace is the fact that you must know that anytime you make a money, you do what all people do. You save it. Don't penny wise and pound foolish because I do that already. And come back broke.
You know you did
So you
that
see,
tell me.
as you touch on over there, if you look at money you make,
Save.
save. And if you have some people out there where you trust, you make them big and place because when you come back you have a place.
One thing we do always I encourage.
Yeah man. But choose the person and wisely.
Yeah, man.
Because father kill daughter because of that and daughter kill mama because they send them money come give them people they trust so much and they will take it and deal with different stuff with it. So when some you see a pastor, you know, we say he want to go to the word of the Lord, you know. And when he see the money come in his hand, him now bother do so much of that, he start fixing himself. Alright. The one with, so you see, accountants, you can't trust accountants. I can tell you a story, but I don't think you have the time for it. A brethren win the lotto. And when he win the lotto, he get a pretty girl running pan him, I can't read and write. Him can't read and write, you know. The pretty girl kill him.
Alive.
Kill him backside for the money. So you see, money is a problem. So you see, when you make your money, careful who you send the money come give you do your things them for you. Because if they're not used to money, when they see money, then go, all who used to money still do the same thing. So you have to be careful. So you must know who in your family you can really trust. When you give them the money to do your thing, then do your thing. You send it come me. They have too much girl around me. Then my girl will rob me and them in a problem. You don't want that. You send the money come if you do not fear. You keep the money till you come, or you send it to your family. But most likely, give family remember. If you end up in a trouble, you lose your money. Alright? You have someone like that. Well, that's a different family.
Alright, no man, me just tell you say, I see him link man, me tell you. Me I go go because I don't buy me ticket and everything already.
Alright, that is it.
And you say your phone mash up.
Yeah.
So when me go me start out myself and I will a steady,
Yeah man, no.
comfortable job, you
Yeah.
can send your phone.
Alright, don't worry yourself man.
Yeah.
Don't worry yourself.
So bless up yourself, yeah?
Yeah man, so you're good though.
Yeah man.
Alright, so remember, you know, me nah forget to do for me. So anytime nothing go wrong with you, you the back of your yard, or if it bust big and you come back,
One deportee.
you know where you go.
Original deportee for a long time.
Remember?
Ever encouraging. You
Then-
always encourage me.
Ah,
God know.
that teach me.
Yeah man.
That teach me life. This life, there was no place like home.
True.
My grandmother tell me that me never know me that foreign. Some of that back of yard, yeah.
Yeah man, I remember they said, don't throw the stone behind me.
Behind you.
Yeah man.
No bunny bridge them, but
Yeah.
some bridge will burn.
Alright, so guess what? I see through my name by my suitcase and something more and carry over with me.
Yeah.
I take a run go outside and I want to see.
Alright.
You can deal with me. Me link you. One at
If
a
I know
time before me
PhD.
go.
Yeah man.
Alright, cool. Let's yourself deportee and one deportee, you know.
Yeah, me a drive on the old car now, so if you know nobody can go airport, you link I.
Alright, cool. That's the word.
Alright. Put it on me hand. How's the boy? It's a boy a thief, you know.
Deportee! Deportee right here coming, he boost like car. You put him like that.
No, me not kill things, man. Man, do that. We're afraid of it on the phone.
See there.
No.
Catch him?
Dash him over there. No, we can go back. Next time, you salt pan him, you run gone.
Me not salt.
You look over yard.
Jesus.
Me your neighbor, you know. If you shot a salt.
Deportee? Tired. You there?
No, he's not dead. He's good. He's gone.
You know, come back in the house.
No,
I'm gonna
throw
kill you.
the salt at the doorway.
Okay.
From the
Me
start
not
of the
even
doorway.
obey that one that you told me.
No. Look at start of the doorway. Insect don't like salt.
Them about him on a
Then
insect.
feast you go cook him. What?
What an insect?
Oh, what him be?
Frog.
Some place in the world they call him spring chicken.
You cook him? You cook him?
No, I say in the world. People
How come you not say eat meat? I'm not
I
your
don't
rasta.
eat meat and I don't cheat.
Thank
You know one woman, shh, not too loud. Next time you call me, you forget one name for yourself.
Next time, I call a woman then, because I don't like me to look here. I just make her do something.
Yeah, but she's a jealous piece of woman.
Alright, go on, thanks.
Alright.
Every day you come and ask Alia, how are you?
I'm looking for him.
So you can't ask Tiana and Bob.
Oh, they're alright, man. They're good, though. They're there.
Can I go back? Tell you man, kill something. You need to get something come back. Come there on. One of them know you. Lord God, let me get a lock out. Wolfgang! 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 There's no money in there. Nothing can go in there. Wait until Alia then come. Lie down, come and belly and hurt me. The more in here, me and them and everything coming. Now I call back the party coming. What you man feel like nothing, I go out with believe me now, man. Me not know yet, so. Go back this now. Me not done with this, so. Jesus. Come on. I have a problem in my good friend, am I? Yeah.
Ready now.
Me out there gate, you know, I can't something here, you know. Because I don't want the pitney not eat properly, you know. No make your sister must in a room with you, no make him yam out this, you know. You know, have nothing. No make him yam out this, I'm give you money, you know. I do not eat it, you know. You hear me, sir? And nobody see money when you put it down.
Come.
Where you go to?
None of your business. Where you go?
See it.
Alright, thank you. I'm just asleep,
Morning,
Morning, how you go?
Eh? I go on the work, me get out of China.
You get work at China?
Yeah.
You?
Yes, me. Wow. I can't get work. Eh?
So when you look this work, yeah?
When me go up on the road, you know, them a tell me say they want, then just see me and them a say, me look like me not have nothing to do and then just give me something to do, so I just take it.
That sound like you, because you never have nothing to do for you. Just walk up and take
Alright, so yeah, look
run down people, girl, pick me. Aye.
If me, why me don't know? Me
Nisha, wake.
Me? Me don't know. Wait, where next sister? Where's your sister? Where's sister?
She asleep.
Oh. Alright.
Aye.
Me see if me can, me see if they have no leftover goods down there.
Look here, go on.
Yeah.
How happened?
But you are sleeping and peeing. No, they make one of us.
You see early morning,
And of course nobody of course we are out there talk. Nobody now of course. You know that's how we talk long time. Load.
We in there out of sleep. You know, we are a drink.
Nisha, happiness, because you bigger than for whole of we now.
Exactly.
We not about the big, it's about the loudness.
Your voice big enough for anybody in the yard. So you know that too.
I'm going to check if some man out there, mate.
You run in high blood.
Get up long time. I tackle him out in sleep, but I keep me in my gut at night time.
Hey, if you do that.
I'm if you know what me I do. No sleep me I
When
sleep.
I sleep,
I'm if you know what me I do.
Sleep properly by now, man.
Well, that's how you go. I know me alone. Right now, me know say Bob sleep bad on me.
But you not sleep with Bob.
At that, you know,
When we are picnic,
Bob. We beg bidding enough from Bob. Marga, we not gonna sleep with Bob.
me not go sleep with no Bob. Me not like when no me not sleep with no man.
Now your brother.
Me not care. He could have been my brother. Me not sleep with him. Me not sleep with him. Suppose he had chick off and he go with me.
I'm the money. Buy one mattress for the where do the money? I'm give you buy the mattress.
That they done long time.
You take it by cash pot. Be a cash pot in a year, Ed.
Shut up and come take up rubbish. That was what do. Me glad you come out.
How you talking?
You me attack, I could never see you me
But
attack.
look on my side if you want to not clean. You're too hot harder now. You know she can't do them work for waking you don't have to get up a man time and wake up the yard.
So now, me a reiki yard now.
You have to wake up the yard.
Every morning me reiki.
I don't know what flying ahead this morning.
Must dream, so I'm going to cash pot.
Even if me win, me not give you none.
Me no want
Chat too
to
much.
gambling money, my love.
Chat too much, man. I come focus me.
No, I'm come to them to put them here, come here.
I no cause we are cause attack, we attack.
No, but you not cause no attack, because I have to jump up and sleep. Where Bob him there?
Me don't know where in there. Can me and him sleep?
Bob saying gonna out this morning.
Get on talk.
Me seen Pastor saying get one out the night Chinese.
Walk.
And that he say.
I must this a walk, yeah. I could never other walk.
Hey,
And that
when
he
you don't
say.
tell life for my brother.
In love, woman, you know. In love, yeah, we.
Yeah. What you mean Bob saying get work, don't a Chinese?
And that he say get one word the night Chinese so he gonna work.
Bob saying.
Let me tell you this, as one girl come in, and one next girl come in push the other one at their bed. In love, woman. Yeah? Let me know must hear me hear it.
Me little busy.
Yeah, them. But you don't know like you come on that belly.
Me hear.
You don't have to hear.
Some of them must hear.
But you don't feel me like that, but you feel, but you hear the people in business. Yes. Eh? And that last minute a wicked woman.
Me think I want to come maga foot girl.
Yeah.
He maga your friend, we don't know where get him from.
Alone, you know.
No, me see her too.
Well, my brother, not me, but that's all more I know.
She come there in the morning and ask me for somebody Gary. I took her my foot there.
One of it happy, one of brother. Gosh.
Me don't know when pick them up from me, but him I get them.
A man saying gonna work and I work, the man
I'm gonna
gone.
no work. When Bob get work, I can't this morning get up and get work. So.
No, he's saying they are looking work for a win and he get his saying gone down there.
You believe Bob?
Anything possible,
Me ask if I believe Bob.
people can change.
Me never tell you no, him not do nothing wrong for you, but me ask if I believe Bob.
I don't know.
Only if you want a man out here,
We just
Nisha,
wake up
we
and me
not
a sweep up the
cost.
place. I come out and see she sit down there so. With him big old I got, me don't know.
What in the room for you?
We did
Well,
buy
me
something,
have
you know.
egg and sausages and something in there.
Where bread where you eat it?
Yeah, bread.
Where other foot are the slippers, yeah?
Jesus, that's one want to live.
Girl, me I provide the
I saw
eggy franks sausages and the
Members
nuggets.
say you are the one we have the money, so you have to feed we.
Me have pretty
But each time you get the money for the something, you take
These are slippers I can dash it down.
Shop, yes,
No other foot not there.
Slippers, me no do with it next.
For you look on you see Bob.
And you too, you might come tell me say, you want another foot of slippers.
Them I can't wear. Right foot them
No
but out.
man. Wait. I want to plan to live.
Oh
Like
no.
this?
Oh no.
When
No
you
slippers.
They're in there.
You take about uno.
He had a foot here. He had a foot of this in there and another foot of this in there too. So we will dash them with for nothing to do them.
Yeah, no. Oh, what you plan for though?
What me done me take up this? What me plan for
You
them?
leave it there?
Me want to go
Are
back
you
to
going to
school.
leave it there?
Me go take you up when me done.
When?
You not talk to me?
Yes,
Okay. Me can't sit down for a tough so me turn up.
What you
Alright.
plan for though?
Me want to go back to school right now, you know.
Go do.
Either learn for nursing, doctor, anything.
So what get the money for go do anything? You know, you have to tell me what you want it for though.
Nursing.
You have to go find the
Nursing. Me go do nursing.
money. So you have to go to evening class.
Yes. Me
Where?
do that. Anyway, me find him.
One nursing school there, so.
Yes, me go the one day me a come.
How much we go up there?
And that me have to go do. Me go do that, man.
Boy, when me want to do, me no get to do, so when me get to do ya instead.
So when you have a pitney, where you go do?
Oh, yes,
You not go work to help him and look about the pitney?
Obviously.
Oh.
Talking about him, man. Where the man there? Come here, see that your father, yeah.
Me asked him a while ago and saying call him every morning.
Right, he call me and he buy baby stuff, the man things.
Where
Everything
stuff them
good, man. He show me them video call.
So where stuff them there? Because I know me give money when they buy stuff. Where stuff them what him give?
Well, he no give me them yet. Me saying their country no come down yet. Remember saying can't come down now?
Me never see him, but me ever hear my talk on the phone. I don't see it.
Man look like him make sense?
Me don't know. Me never see him. As well, me say me never see him, but me hear him on phone.
He live a country, but just...
Which country?
Ah, Jesus, he live a Mandeville.
That's how far you got it, man?
But no, I don't go...
You see him bad, and they tell me about me bad.
Why you want like in there that country?
Just tell me say me bad.
Listen here, Nanisha. Yes, the reason why you don't hear, remember me and telling in one room, he can't do here with me.
You're not about coming out, but about make it see him.
No, he might come down next week.
Come get for and he not come down come do nothing. What you want to do?
Next week, he might come.
So what about you now?
What about me?
What you want to do?
Me?
Scratch my foot on this.
Oh, cheap.
Remember say she work already now, she take care away.
Me look and she come. I tell the people in the workplace there, no, you know.
So where I go do? Where I plan for do? Where I plan for do?
No go and work on me if we not work, we not eat.
And every time.
I eat bigger one.
You eat. You go in the room but take out something out of the kitchen, you eat, yeah? When I get the money buy it or you go in the room and take it out either way, because when you have fry now, so I be a fry every day.
You don't have bread one day?
Yeah, we have bread, but me I say. When you make no sense, when you buy beer fry, nothing to eat with the fry.
Listen here.
You have food stuff
on you have island?
Yes. I buy island, franks and nuggets and the egg.
Where you get money?
Excuse me?
Where you get money?
The girl saying baby father send him money.
With what?
What do you mean by with what? In my work.
I'm saying it.
Western Union.
So we not gonna collect the money there, we don't know about it.
When you're in there sleep, I wait with me there.
So you look like a light shirt here?
I don't know.
You go buy cash for money?
No, me just wake up.
You have money to buy cash for?
No. And you me there can't check for money.
Me give up, I'm tired.
Listen here, you're a big one, and you say I go take care of it, you're big.
I go take care. Say you big?
We're not big yet.
Oh yeah, don't look.
Yeah, one time.
Are you extra small?
Remember say, are you first, then she, then me, then Bobby now?
But you say she
and you have to take care of it, yeah, we little.
And when she say, she tell mommy
I don't
say.
have to.
You tell mommy say. You go take care of it till we big. And me no, when me 60, me big.
But you're extra big now.
When you're 60,
yeah.
When me 100.
Big. Because you have one big baby in front of you, you're double big. You're not little again.
Well, I say you go.
I'm still give me no cuss about it or talk about it, but I to me only a cuss.
When I tell me the panel what I hear somebody I say, one shot you. Tapping eyes. One shot you will leave down your son. Breed one girl on the road. Bob them attack. I bob them attack.
Jesus Christ. What Baba gonna do it pretty, you know?
So me hear them and say I be a rumor
so
spreader.
Like
so me hear.
Vibrate.
But just do like me no know who them attack.
Wait. Hello, good morning. Okay. When? Alright, thanks for the news. Okay. Same to you.
Go on.
What you feel so? Back to back.
No.
Who?
Which
Somebody call me at work.
For what?
I think $1 million you get if you give me 100 what I eat.
So look how long you work. Look who. Alright, go on.
Talk.
The rumor is spread.
You work over at the hotel the whole long. And then I said something to you about you. Although you get good pay, so.
Just for grandpicnic for my, I mean, niece or nephew.
I'm grandpicnic for true, because I come like my daughter, I take care of her.
The stuff, but me have to stop on him.
I get them. What you say now about Bob? No, what you say Bob do?
The rumor the pan the road is spreading say Bob breed people girl pitney and don't want to take care of it. I don't know who, I just see somebody I say it.
A good day, maga foot we come here.
In a table.
Bob must know which part pan him the could manage
The
my
more
brother.
that woman where Bob carrying that the place
We don't know
there.
which one I breed.
Exactly.
None of them now work. Jesus Christ, one of them out for fear.
Even if I true, you have to go do DNA because some you see when girl pitney they bad.
Me for do DNA.
Yeah, you have to go do
Me never go
DNA.
there.
Well, Bob have to go do DNA when he pitney
Never get
man.
money to do DNA. Because I think get the work of the Chinese to for true. That's if I true.
Which work? Bob lie. So till which work? Which work he get?
Come like, say me look like me now go back to the car, me stress. Pull that top my pot.
I better come for go beer and come on your house.
Hey.
That are the least for you. So I don't know how you feel.
I want to share do other things with my life and my money. Me have to look after 3 big musketeers. You're laughing. The 3 big, matter of fact, I have to be 3 again at 5 because that one you have 1. Uno at 3, that one you make 1. That have 4, Bob 1 make 5 and Bob 1 make 6. Jesus Christ.
You're not for mind Bob woman.
Bob now, man.
Me tell us that he tell me say my work at the Chinese one not have faith in our brother.
Yeah, me by last time Bob tell we say my work.
Last time Bob tell me your teeth ain't got teeth.
Listen me now. Me I go look work off and me have a baby, you know.
You go look, but no.
Me I go back
can't
to
look
school.
work now.
You don't like this to me.
Me I go back to school.
She a go back to
like
school and me
this.
I go look work. So
You go and breathe. Me have to take care of you on the belly.
Morning.
morning.
Morning, neighbor. Big one, there. What you have to find? Give me a little this one.
Thank
I'm
you
not give
very
shit
much.
them.
Give me one now.
I feel baby.
Give me one.
I feel baby. Anyway.
You see like how you little no bother if you just give me.
No, you too no.
Cause I couldn't neighbor your boyfriend and neighbor.
Alright.
Alright, yeah.
Give me one now.
Look at that me a bread for.
Oh, you look like I took other day. Me see you something come give to you know. Shut up.
Give me them, yeah.
Other day me see you something come give her.
Me say I know him and my baby father.
Give me
Jesus.
and give me this. We could do it. What is again? Jumbo. What is again?
You want to know when you're jumping.
Come me taste if you tell her if it good.
Give your sister one.
Me no want the one yeah. Alright, give me.
Take what you get. Left one for Bob.
Left one food, Bobby, but eat it have left.
So when I get my food, make sure say everybody get one. Give one for Bob.
Give.
You rather cut one in a half and give peace.
Give left piece for him, because you know him good this home come, because you know he ain't got no work. As me I say last time Bob get work, a thief. I be me go be
Me know.
station. So you me no want Bob go get no work, coming in about it. We never come with me.
Oh, he left up on a rush this morning.
Girl, you go check.
Saying get what on a Chinese store.
We go to soon after go down.
Yeah, girl. Don't worry yourself, girl. I have to come at that party day. Right now, we just go check one lady over there. So we have my mother friend for a long time, and they say she not over there. So right now, I write her so me I stay and lay wait her. So don't worry yourself. I have to get one money from that woman because she kind of know she will give me it. Yeah. So tell me to so right now I lay wait her. So just take your mind.
All right.
I have to go at the party day.
Yeah, man, little more.
Me soon call her back.
I sample that, you know.
Hey! What happened?
Me there, what happened? Your mother alright?
Eh?
Your mother alright?
She good enough, but I still not come for talk to you about.
You come to talk to me about a minute.
Yeah, I just come check out about. Then you still not did it. So.
Oh, come me. Don't come me. So what you do want to talk to me about? Come tell them we not going to stand up along with you.
Me I do CXC at school, right?
Yeah.
And run 5-6 CXC and I want some. Alright, let me get it.
Yeah, man.
I can borrow some money from you. For the sakes. Because you know mommy already. You know mommy addict and sit down.
Yeah.
She don't have no money for give me at all. And the teacher them, they recommend me. You know, so me a bright girl at school already. So if you see me I do 5-6 subjects, you know what I say? I bright though.
Yeah.
But I have money I have problem, so I don't know, you can help me out.
I help you know. But it depends on how much you want, how much you're gonna need.
300,000, the teacher say.
100,000 if you do it? 5 subjects?
Yeah, 300,000.
5 of them you do, or 6 of them?
5 to 6.
5-6, we don't know
Yeah,
which
5
amount.
to 6, 5 to 6.
Oh. So, I'm going to 300,000. So, when you go camping, because you know at school you're going now?
Well, you know, say after me done it, me subject them and me get through with everything me pay back. Just pray for me and just make sure say me get through.
Understand what you say still, but you say when you get through with them, you never tell me when I can get back the money. Because when you get through with the subject, them you know you still go to school. So you go to school and I can't find back 300,000 if you give them back. So when I can get it, when you start work, hour.
Alright. You see, after school and me start work, you take me a little time and pay you up.
Oh.
Yeah, so you don't have to worry yourself about when you get it back. I go take me a little time and pay you back. Because you don't know it, they're in the streets already and I go to school and I have a good heart. So I like to go take your money and run off with it.
What me I say again, man? Me not have no money for me now still. So when you going to need it?
Monday if you go indoor.
Today I went Friday, so Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Alright, here when I say like I come from work now, I now go back out. So I go home now and finish going and sleep. Tomorrow, I come from work, I have to go inside of the bank to get that amount. So when I come in tomorrow, you come back and link me by 6:30. Because I go to a bank in the morning. Me would when your company will come meet me in a town with the amount there, you know, say you're young, people will take it from me. So I go draw the money, go back bank early in the morning when I go to work. When I come back in from work, you come and link me 6 o'clock to 6:30. Now when I come with me, but I'm asleep, no 7, 8 o'clock, you know. What time I say?
6:30.
6:30, so come 6 o'clock. If me not did the way for me till I come, but me know I got there home. Make sure I say me not have to ask you back for my money.
No, man.
Because I put my faith in you, you know.
No, man, me got you covered, man. You'll get back your money. Me just believe
Here,
you know?
me have my sister, my brother, them to look after. So me I got go in my money and give you, and me want it back.
Alright, no
me
problem,
I put
man.
faith in you and hope you're the best when 6 the result come out.
Alright, thank you so much. So
link me tomorrow.
6 o'clock.
Alright, baby. Hear the mother for me.
Yeah, man, I hear her.
And go on in before the night come down, because
Yeah,
you know
man.
them boy wanna touch and finger fearing. So
Yeah.
take your time going in here.
Alright, later.
Then I watch you go down, go on down. So to come back and link me tomorrow. How school you come from?
Yeah.
Uniform short. Do you like your one bag?
Yeah, me want
So
know.
where school shoes?
Huh?
Where school shoes?
The school shoes pop out.
Me I go buy you one.
Yeah. Later here?
Alright. For them maga do like you want to look at porridge.
Me say, girl, me go get the money. Me just get one pull her life. You want so me go like me an innocent child. Actually, she don't know me, you know. She don't know me none at all. She don't know say I want a little demon this she a deal with. Yeah, me rippy girl man, 300,000. Eh? Beg me one. Girl, me not no money for you, nah man already. Anyways, later, I'm coming to the party. And girl, a VIP section for me. Alright.
You see me surprise them?
No.
Oh, I didn't know my slips.
So if me come out here, me to say you out here, me I wonder how it a good on so far.
I first never going in. Before I get with you, please. At least I don't have to have money.
Man, where you so early?
Where I go?
Yeah, go on the road and come back. So what do tonight eat?
What tastes good?
No, sir.
It tastes good.
Everything tastes good for you.
And I'm chain your mom sitting there, me.
So then what you get sitting and say you're pregnant?
I first never going on.
You're pregnant too?
Oh, we are baby.
Hey, buddy, I be baby. You're a baby, and Baba baby on the way. And soon come back, take care.
Where you
and you
go?
go look for breakfast.
Where you go?
I go on the way and run come back.
No,
But today I'm there, so you know, so I'm there. I'm going to hurry and forward him back.
So why not there?
Some documents, baby, and they come back.
You just take back sitting for me.
Well, what should I carry back?
Me don't know anything.
Money.
No, you're not going to gamble this morning. I'm sorry. First of all, I don't have the money. I don't have any money.
When I pull up, you go in the middle.
This is going on for like me.
Later, take care. Remember, I got about something to eat and drink tea. You hear me say?
I'm a drink juice.
I never see boy, you know. Because you're not a baby, you're a baby.
Baby,
Drink tea.
Alright.
And go look for breakfast.
I'm sure I go look.
It no matter what I look about, but look for breakfast.
Later.
No. Every time me have my money now, so you and Bob Tiffy. I mean, one of you want because I hear all somebody swear me have my money.
Money alone, me alone.
You can't tell me nothing. Tiana, I hear all somebody see so me put in money.
Me not trouble your money. No, say me not trouble your money.
So where you get money? Nisha not give no money for morning. So where you get money go buy cash pot. Where you get money?
Where me get money from? Me a hustler. Me not thief your money.
Are you thiefy?
Every time me have something there chat about me thiefy.
Me
thief money.
Listen
what
me.
thief your money from?
It's what?
My sister come chat about
Take your time. What happened?
Here, my baby father send no money come give me.
You want to see them come? I can't bother with doing it sometime, you know.
But I Tiana thief me money and me want back my money.
Alright,
you left your money in there and left it do up in a gap on the road.
Me not go nowhere. Only thing me do I go sleep. Me not go nowhere. Me a big got in from me when me a go par road go do.
Tell me no, me sister breed and me forgot to eat her money.
Listen me.
Is that possible?
At that time, yeah. So one hand to talk to me. Which one hand you going to talk to me?
Let me talk. My baby father send one money come give me. Cause me tell him say, are you one, right? So if he send one money come for me, can I help you buy grocery for eat and so off in our house, right? He send the money, me go pick up here and come back.
Since morning, when I left?
Yes, since morning.
Okay.
Cause me not really like the idea see how you wanna spend, do spending. You understand?
That's right, get to the point.
So anyway, me go pick up the money and come. Tiana the day, Tiana see me with the money. Tiana see where me put the money.
Say money missing now?
You see, two me tired, me drop asleep. Wake up now, look for money, say me I go what good on the side shop go buy one little drink. Not even $1. Not even $100 there.
How money in there?
$20,000 in send come.
I know what I got.
It wall a hit gone.
Tiana, what kind of wicked?
I Tiana thief money. Him a look, you see, if I know him, I thiefing boy Bob, cause Bob I next thief too, you know.
But Bob there?
Bob did they here, but only thing Bob don't see me with the money. But Tiana,
so you have to Tiana see with the money.
See me with the money.
So let me know she thief it.
Bob now if you see nobody with money if you go take up money. Bob just come in your place and see money pan place and take up it.
So, listen me. Me see Tiana buy drink. Me see with rum cup this morning.
Tiana.
Me see you not give no money, you know. So how you buy cash pot ticket and all of them something there.
Tiana, me
and not even me buy the cash pot ticket. I mean nigga buy the cash pot ticket and buy more and drink and rum.
So Tiana, you take the money?
No, me not trouble her money.
Nisha,
you see her with the money?
Me see her with the money, yes. Me not lie, but me not trouble no money.
But
she not trouble no money, so you argue with her.
Me just asleep in there when she in there when me put on the money. As she alone, so when me hide the money.
As well, she said Bob did there, but me never see Bob.
Bob!
Me not lie.
Bob!
Bob was gone now, baby
I tell you about me and Bob take money.
I know me can't see from me about my baby mother. I know me not feel back.
Listen, me Nisha, a Tiana take my money. If I'm a Tiana, a Bob. I not can it two of them.
Yeah.
The cash pot, we hear this say you left a change up there.
You hear?
How much money she can go for a cash pot shop?
So I want big money to spend.
Which big money? Tell how much money can go for a woman?
A 500 I'll make you up there.
So at $200 for cash pot?
$300 day.
So if you change up there?
Woman say go hard today, amount of card your back.
Tiana.
Save up on the money time for man.
Tiana, make sure. I know Leah money you take enough.
We are give me money. Me no trouble all your money.
Me I go believe in you. Me I give back Leah money.
No,
Make
keep it.
sure say I know you trouble your girl money.
Because like me and him are sleeping. They never.
You hear me I want you.
Wally part me have
Me I
things
go
in
give
there.
her
Show
back
me
the money.
sister, me give her the benefit
And
I
make
doubt.
sure say your girl money take it buy cash pot.
Me no trouble no money.
Can you take it buy no food? They take it buy cash pot.
You hear him? Allow me alone.
If you don't have no manners, just make sure that the girl money you use.
And my money, you hear?
Me soon give back the money.
Follow her.
Me nah believe her. Me nah call her thief. That's me ask if we spell Bobby is. Because I know Bobby the only finger frame person in the yard.
Tiana too. Anything me have in there take. Anything.
Bob say no to call opinion.
Bob can't be no now. Me never say thief with Tiana. Me I say make sure I know you. But you're gonna need back her money. Jesus Christ, me can't bother now. What mama left me now? Why she left me with the 3 musketeers? Sometimes I feel like I want to go with her, you know. Only I got stress me out.
Nisha, a father got alone could have come down and tell me, say, I know Tiana
When Bob come,
or
you call
Bob
me.
take the money.
When Bob
Me
come,
trouble your money. For tell me.
And you do it.
Alright, you want to
What I do with 20,000?
And you take it.
Buy cash
And go
pot.
buy cash pot.
You buy 20,000
You see when
cash
Tiana
pot?
have money, he spend on his friend them. Say $20,000 and nothing for you flash out in a one day, even
Alright.
1 hour.
Alright, me I beg you do. Only stop your argument in the yard. Me I give back your money. And you go the way you want to do with it. You hear?
No give me back no me think of finding money because no me thief.
Are you thiefy? You
We
want
put the money
thief,
in
yo.
there.
Yes, only one hiding spam, you want to share alone, no,
Are you not
hide
there?
things. You know that
Tiana
not
there?
at all.
Brad can't go with the money.
Tiana, you there?
Jesus Christ.
We don't know how
We must say right guy with the money. We
I got thief it.
Why? I can't bother with
So what in there?
and the baby
So
want come out.
Why you call up Bob name and
So
say
me-
Bob?
so
Why
me-
am me? Why am me?
Oh, so you know, say you want Bob.
Yeah, remember
Yeah,
you're pregnant,
Bob,
you
go
will
on.
get pressure.
We don't even see
Stop
Bob
arguing with Tiana, me say I give back your money. Done.
Feel like $20,000 no either.
Me tired, me I going to go lie down, I don't want you the mouth out. Give me some time money come give you. You want it now for use?
No man, keep it. So me no want to have
Me
it
no
less
have me
now.
some money round
I
here,
need
say me
thiefy again.
Me talk, no me want go in, me can't take the knives out here, me no want go in, go hear the knives out here. You want the money for use now?
Keep it because I don't want you to give me it and she thiefy back
Stop
again.
calling her thief, because you know she
She
not
a
thief.
thief.
She not thief, and you stop saying that.
How you so sure?
Because me never hear she a thief long, and Baba all the person love thief. In finger
Let me tell
fairy.
you something. A rat this year, you take time
She
and
will
hand
eat
away.
something, but she not gonna thief the money.
Listen me, don't after that.
You
What you
wanna
gonna do?
eat
Get
some of them.
through what you gonna do?
Yes. Tomorrow I'm telling about that. Okay? Because when I come catch you and eat and I can't talk and I eat. Okay? So morning I come. Stop look at her like that now. I'm sorry for being for this. Only eat for morning? What you eat?
Me
Tiana.
look up breakfast and she want me
For you give her none?
Of course, and she still want me to go and they go look about
What
dinner.
you eat?
And I may have belly in front
So
me.
no cook.
And she want me to do everything.
So no cook then?
Me don't want nothing. Good.
Cause she spent me $20,000 full her big gut already.
When one buy something, I'm call.
About big too.
Yeah, sitting they make it big.
And now
Alright,
proud of it.
alright. When you hear me, I say, only want me get one bite man to come buy something for me?
me don't want nothing.
You okay? Tiana, are you okay? Because when I go in there, I know you can come back and tell me if you're hungry, you know. Want me buy something for you?
Yeah, have my money put on, you know, if you tell us.
What you want me to buy?
Me alright, me eat already.
Okay, buddy, alright. When I want something for you, I can't bother with you, know.
Whole thing I want slice of
When you
cheesecake.
attack Bob too.
Bobby's not here.
When he come, he attack him and call him for the phone number phone.
Alright, me don't want nobody attack nobody. I'll give back your money. Don't the money argument, please. Okay? For no hungry, no come call me out there in my room. Okay.
You know you send come give me I don't know which one of them TV. But one of them take it. And then I can't tell me boy I know she. If I not Tiana Bob. That's why I tell you say you feel hurry up and below because I know like their own siblings more while.
Evening.
Baby so call you back.
How go on?
Where my money there?
Sister,
She know there in there, she makes and gone up the road.
oh.
Where my money there?
Now, eh?
Nisha!
What? Where I call Nisha?
Me know say you want to thief me $20,000.
What $20,000? What you talking about? What money? I'm not bother with him, man.
Nisha!
I'm just coming back in our place.
See me I ain't call, we finally come in our yard. Come in here and dance.
Me there walk from when, man, you know?
You there walk.
Get up, free yourself from mental slavery. Eh?
Where you coming from?
Road, I am a teenager now, so me have to go out there, go look money, so I go up on the road.
What about?
Work.
Somebody you get one work already. What kind of work you go look
So
at?
I work, me did there?
No, sir. You sound like you're unsure.
No. Me left from that the work there and go up on a different work.
Why you have to go on different work? Why you want to do two jobs at your age?
No, watch out now. You see the day job, that I feel, that work, you see me?
Me not understand work.
Alright, look.
You will understand work.
The day work, when me there the Chinese, the tired man, you have to catch juice, catch this, you see, night work now. In night work, me breeze off. Me breeze
Where's why you come
off.
from? The breeze off.
The breeze off, man. Hey, me hungry still, you know? Eh?
Where all your money?
All your money. All your money. Say give all your money and I give me money.
Stop calling us. Yeah, where do you
So me I
money?
call him. So,
Bob, sit down.
belly mouse.
Sit down. Where all your money?
Me don't know. Which money? Where money
All
there?
your missing her money.
How much money?
She said $20,000. Where
You know more than $20,000? I have to tell me teeth.
Anyway,
You hear? And you tell me say me thief. You hear?
No, but if not ask me
Are
teeth,
you
don't ask me
techie?
teeth.
Are you techie?
Me don't know where your
Don't
money
tell me
there.
that,
Me don't go in your place.
Me need tell you say I'm thief, you know.
Is that right?
We
Why me cannot
ask
go
him
look-
for the
Why
money.
me cannot ask the next one?
She
No, him a go a cash pot shop. No, she a go a cash
She
pot
gone
shop.
for
He good as he
Can't do
gone a
again.
cash pot shop.
Ask him.
He gone a cash pot
When
shop.
get money for my buy cash pot.
You know, big thing, good to make money. Come out there.
No, sister, me
Me
not
no
buy nothing.
business.
Me not buying anything. I
yes,
don't get
but-
any money.
Where get slippers?
You're bright. Am I
Just
slippers?
start work, Bob. Where get money to buy new slippers?
Listen, when you just start there, then give you slippers at the Chinese for wear.
Hey, Jesus.
Oh dear.
Every
Slippers.
Monday.
Me, listen.
You have an all hat.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. It's a new brand hat. You know see.
We have a new brand at a new brand.
Hmm? Tuesday's Wednesday. We get Wednesday pay already.
Charlie, don't pay you them. So, Charlie
Listen
pay you
now.
one time and
Listen
upon
now.
a Friday.
Listen now.
And you just start
It's a
work.
Saturday we get pay pan.
What Saturday don't come in?
But listen, we don't add a different word. You know, I don't accurate. Come, I go on.
We don't
You
talk
not
about
send me
this
tea for no
now.
money.
Anyways, me have a baby mother. Who you breed?
You want big mother. You see, you know, na chat, you know, inform.
No mix
chat
me.
too much.
Are your
What about your
favorite?
baby and
I
your
know,
belly?
and I mean, are your favorite sister?
You like can chat me. But listen, it's Anna.
Where you get baby mother?
She not sure if I'm for my baby, and I'm not sure if I'm my baby.
Who for one? Fan of you.
Who?
Say if it's not you, who's
I menke baby. I menke pitney.
So Menke a go there, are you a go there?
So that means.
No, menke go there after me. Me go there before menke.
So you know that when you go there, she did get pregnant.
No, because me never find no condom, but me did have one bread bag. So I menke.
Mighty God.
I menke baby.
Where did you Bob?
Bread bag.
Beg who?
Bread bag. Eh? Me couldn't find
Don't
it.
laugh. Stop laughing. Because then you catch straight up.
Remember see a scandal bag, you know.
Yeah, but me no use none.
Alright,
So that's why I make it
Go
cheap.
on.
So what wrong with
Go on, Bob. Go on.
Oh,
Go on.
Thief.
I mean, yes, sir. Listen. My sister tell me say no pay a chat about my manga. Tell me say no pay a chat about my woman.
Listen me.
Woman.
Mama for one.
Are you serious?
Tiana, yes. Come here, guy. $50,000. Congratulations. You can marry my child.
No, you're not really there now. You come over here tell people, tell over here tell people say me thief money for. Me thief
Me not tell nobody say you thief money. She said me and you thief her money.
No, you tell me about the money.
Jesus Christ. Which money?
The same money she talk about.
Me not tell about no money, so me don't know what you talk about. Boy.
No, you tell me about the money. Say yeah, make me shape the money. No, you tell me about the don't tell me if it happen nice. They might blame me over here. They might blame me say I
You
do.
see
So
it.
20 if you get money, so
And
me not
she-
take blame too. How much money you get out of it? You get about $12,000
Who
you
get
get out of it.
$12,000?
Hey.
Who get to give
Say
back
$20.
out the money we just win now while I
But I
got
give
cash
back
pot shop?
nothing but
Yeah, I'll give back my $20,000.
Yes,
And
so
you
me
give
tell
her
us say
back
she
cash.
I ask her if it top call
I
her
don't me.
thief.
And
So you
she...
think thief,
listen,
I ain't
what
taking
I know?
you up. He
And
take
she-
you,
Are you telling about it?
She called me around there, tell me say
convince
she
me
find
them
money.
both
She
thief.
said she find
Yeah,
money.
me phone in the ring.
She tell me say she find money and I say, when I go around there, I see her and I say, how you find money in her
I want
room?
my
Must be sister
$20,000
money.
come back Aliyah money. I want
Are
my
you
$20,000.
thiefy?
Say
I
to me,
poor.
I hint
You
it.
see?
I know me
Me
gone.
see
You're
attack and I
gone, you're
take you.
gone.
We know corruption.
We are corruption. The people get money, we are corruption. You know,
Listen.
when you went again, you go for the money for that? Bring me $20,000 come give me. You hear me say? Go on in, go answer your phone.
Me
I
did-
would want your thief in-
Me they tell you say, I them take
And
you,
him
but
take up
no,
him.
me fit
Who
stop
be
call
I
them
think that them
thief.
touch too much.
Are you
But
and
you tell him
him?
about it because you alone know where there.
Alright, me can go in. Aliyah, me a come. Me never tell us me a come here or me so.
Oh, to me here in the morning, I wonder. How you going so far?
Girl, me dey go. Dig back for
No
something.
mash up my bed, do. Watch your shit bounce. I must bounce about. You can't even.
How she a go? She will say that. I better say she a go for.
No, me a come.
Don't stop. Give baby pressure. Give the baby pressure.
Tell me what you have to tell me. Don't tell her.
Never tell you what I'm just wait, man. Never tell you what I'm just wait, man. You know what she a go suck me? You want to get 825 draw? Yeah, you in Irish, you always in Irish, you go buy cash pot. Have a big belly?
Our ham, our. We not problem with my belly.
She don't get so.
I don't want to sit on this one. I want to go up this one.
I come.
They can't hold
Left fire. You can't hold the wall away.
Oh.
Get tired, you see, you want to come, say you can't hold up this stuff.
Get up
Yeah,
and
my
get
boo.
this off the lid on back. Alright, ready. Yes or no?
Alright. You see what they were there?
You're not getting none. Everything me have you want big.
Alright, enough with phone begging. You want me to
Did I
say?
beg her?
Let me see. When we talk now, come on, you open and buy your cash what? I remember you give me 20,000 no, either way. It's what we were there, what on the front attack. I remember I call him and get him, I'm telling him, say, I something pretending to work. You know, I say, I get through for go overseas. So, may I tell you no? No, don't tell nobody.
So when you are going?
By the week for end.
So
Week? You like money for week?
So you look boy your papers and you sit them already?
Yeah, one man when we come and catch you in a cuss in the evening there, I don't really go do.
I say if you like money for week.
Me I got have something funny, but
Yeah,
you wanna know?
separate the money then. Like earlier, well, you spend half you and give me no.
You wanna know? At 2017 now, Tiana, and you can't gamble the whole of your
And she still have
life.
baby next 2 months.
Tiana, make me talk.
That.
You hear me say?
Me not.
2017 now, you got to change your ways.
Top thief.
You hear me part? You hear me
Stop
part?
gamble. Stop gamble.
You fi stop
Oh my
breathe.
God. I want baby she go. You mean she will stop breathe?
As you have the one they can't breathe again.
Who tell us
God.
so?
Alright, you let me get to the point because more you and come out because I can't bother with you. Alright, so Aliyah, me I go leave your room. Like how you pregnant and you know you're going to space.
Me can finally top take kick on night time.
Yeah. So me I go leave you with the room.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Thank you for getting the car.
You are gonna keep the room on back. I mean I will get the shop. I don't need you to charge him for say you will cash party out. Do not gamble out the shop.
You know?
You hear what I said?
No, nah, live
Me
in
I
this
go restock it before me leave. Me I go ensure it full of good before me
I
leave.
remember she said me lucky good because we going to go drink out the juice.
Mighty God.
And Bob will teeth in the change again. Stop call Bob name. Bob is
Me
not
we
here.
hard you can move.
Bob
we
is
go in
not
a
here,
shop.
so stop call Bob name. Cause I and him a thief. Two and one thief together.
You're good.
And Bob not be there for me tell him what me I go give him. Probably soon come still, cause you know. And
Yeah,
like,
give him.
tell him to make sure say no carry him money me have to come
Me
right
the
man,
business about that.
Cause me now come back, you know. I'm not coming back.
For now. You're not come
Me
back for
always send
now.
money for no, me not come back. I'm not me I run half.
So,
That's why me I go in everything what me have. Me will send money come go in the same way. Cause you know say me have to do that.
You shop on mine.
Me I give you the shop.
Where Baba get?
Bobby's not here. When Bobby coming, Bobby can't tell him when he get.
You think Maggie keep a share for me honey?
You gotta have the shop, so you need to make
I'm
use
still
of
a
it.
fish share shop.
Just
for me
like
and
how-
them too. So
You know, I'm share the shop for you and them. The shop is yours. The room is
So
yours.
they Indian they don't have no money and they say they want
just
juice.
like how
You can't get them and juice and them pay
90s
back.
money and share between one another, them have to share everything.
Take it.
You finish? We get angry about it.
Yeah, man, cause at time you can buy cash back though. Go on. Go on. You remember me get the shop, so you have the shop for yourself. And you have the back room.
Yourself, you don't see me make $1 million in job for it.
You're supposed to make me $11 for it. Come on, go on, go buy cash back. Go on. I'm one my $20,000 little girl. Or if I come back in the yard at night.
So when you have picnic, alright.
You hear me say, Tiana? You hear me?
When me make a big money off a cash park, me not go no none.
She not changing it? She not have to change that
I say you work this pup at the tan.
Be a gamble, him gamble. And me can't be say she get it off him.
I don't know what
I love
kind of
money, you
man.
know, I love money, but me I tell you, say some time wanna give me a headache. Me know me not dead yet.
Yeah, big one.
You ever sing? Where you walk to my room?
I was going on so our family.
Me ask where you walk to my room, where you come from?
Where I'm coming from is none of your business.
You always have attitude and then you want to come bother people when you get in a problem.
I'm a ton man.
You're not supposed to ask us where we're coming from. We are older than you.
Them panning
So
Must.
smell them from my front. Now my front, now my hear them, I'm smell them.
Enough for your smelling, no?
Anyways,
Sit down here so me talk to you.
Good, listen, so I go on.
Me I go away.
Full time now, man. Yeah, go away. When? Yeah, go on. I'll get back there. Tonight, tomorrow. Oh, yeah.
So I say you want to get rid of me?
No, but when you're in there, man, too much problem, man.
The problem is there, I don't tell me want to get in touch with me, I keep on the right side. What you mean? I'm going to leave. No, I'm not.
Yeah, bad man.
Oh, my bad mind.
Man, look around this process. Alright,
I ain't carrying it, but I'm giving you the most valuable things that I have. I'm leaving you with my account. Yeah, I'm going to give her my card.
So, wait then. So how you left the younger one with the account?
Because he's the only boy.
I want to go around there, so I want to get account.
Shut up your mouth.
So Land, if
Tiana never gone.
she could run this listen. So
You know the
if him get account, all that money I go spend off it. Panning girl them.
Account for me, you know.
Bob, I'm going to make you say it.
Him a go spend it panning girl them. When I send little money in it.
Hey, belly.
You want
No, he get alien none, he love money too much.
Alright, so wait. Jesus. Oh, yeah,
I ain't giving it
Shut
yet.
up, Randy.
Set it on my phone.
No, Baba, listen to me now. You're taking this thing for joking. Don't make me nobody give you, you know.
Alright.
You take this thing for joking, you know, hombre.
Yeah, bro.
You get older now.
Yeah, go buy shop. Yeah, go champagne. I go game shop.
Jesus Christ.
I
Don't let your account game.
buy shoes. I buy food. I hire some security guard up there.
Security girl for the what, Bob?
How much money?
Watch them for what?
Bring man in a place.
You can't bring manga foot.
Baba, are you
Skinny girl over
serious?
here though.
Man, if you watch me.
Me I go in the money thing now. Me I give you 500. Me I go give you 500.
More 600.
But Bob, me I go for $1 million in Bob account. Because me now. Because Bob not really remember Bob I don't even know what said about him because me don't want him to pass the body thing, so I give him more money than one. Because you know him finger fearing. I'm not. Bob nobody does it. Say you don't thief. You don't thief.
I'm just setting up. No, me a thief. Me just take up things that belongs to me. I don't steal it.
That is thieving.
No.
What is it called? What it called?
Anything me take up, then see me.
Finger fearing.
See me. So I'm not thief.
You're finger fearing.
If I see me take up it, I'm not thief.
What you do with the barrett?
Yes.
And don't return it?
I have to bring it back.
You're finger fearing, Bob.
No, I'm not.
So I'm going to give you the money and I beg you please. Do not trouble what doesn't belong to you.
I go buy everything more.
Sis, enough for Bob. Make Bob
I go buy
stay.
the room.
Just give me money and
Give
make...
me.
I go buy shop out there so tall.
Oh, you go buy this a room, you have for me room.
The room is for Alia. Alright. You want me to say? The whole entire house is for Alia.
Hear me I go do.
But the room specific me I give she. Cause she
The
now
whole
put them.
entire house are for me?
Yeah, but you now put them out. You can't put them out.
Alright, listen now.
This belongs to you.
Sister, remember say she bad man. So hear what me I go do. You see the
Bad
money-
man like
you. See
you.
the money me I go give
Sure.
me. See the money me I go give me. Me I go to rent hotel. I go rent.
No, Bob, if you rent hotel in there, you have room on there.
You might put me out.
She
Why me I
can't
go
do
put you
that.
out? You are my brother.
She can't do that.
You tell him say you want place of him.
The house is for us. You get $1 million.
Alright. Me I put you down then in case him put you.
Tiana get her room.
So when
She can't put you out.
if she put me out then.
She can't do that.
If she dream to
There's no if.
if she dream to
The house is hers, but you know, so me I give her another part you can. The part they only for you already.
But
Tiana will get the next one on the shop.
And my name will go up on the lease. For you will land in the house, right?
Me not gonna do that because you look like you're depend some
No,
foolishness.
no, I'm just asking why me. I'm my brother and I'm my sister.
You know, me not gonna give the house. The room that belongs to you. Yeah. Tiana room belongs to her on at the back.
They still
And you
get
know
more
Bob
of
room
me.
they beside of mine, so on so.
Only thing me get
Tiana
one
will get the
room.
shop.
we are gonna share the kitchen.
Tiana get room and shop and me get one room.
You get a big room, I give you money.
Go on.
Go on, Bob.
Go on, man.
We get the money, I go pay man.
Bob, don't do that. Go around. Go on,
So
baby.
man, me I dey have to me look on the
Move. Don't touch me. Me I go on. Don't touch
Alright, baby. Take care.
Well,
Jesus Christ, Bob, go on. Go on. Yeah, tomorrow. You eat? You eat already?
I'm hungry.
Yeah, me soon call you for game money. Me I go take it out and come call you. Alright, me soon call you. I love you all I want. Yeah, cause you're the boy. Go on.
Jesus love me.
Chris, what me I go do with them picnic? Bob, him want get security. What am I do with security in the local yard? And where I come down put the half lock up clothes?
No, you don't have to time and look for them find.
Go over me yard.
No, man, over my yard. That's
You
me.
find your clothes over me yard?
No, over my yard.
So where you come from over there come from?
Are you me a look for?
So without a shirt, without no shirt?
No, no, that man. You hurry to check it because me here say you're far in.
Me not tell nobody you know that we have to go my sister, my brother now.
No worry where me know from. Me don't want you care about 1 6 last count you and friends. 6 pack a big last count.
Me pack up my no already. Me can't hold nothing more in my suitcase then. Me can't do that.
Yeah, that's how it go.
And then again, me not trust you like that.
One thing.
Cause where you come from over me yard?
Nobody no do nothing for deportee, you know. Me know say deportee is a man.
Deportees not say that, not say that. Things and time change, whether you can't trust people with certain things, but if any are go up.
Alright, me not. No, say me ask you, just keep it also. You come down here.
You know nobody they can give.
No, me have some people, no worry yourself.
You know some team I gonna make you this come here so this make it something.
Make feel something turn up, make a tongue tip.
Anyway,
Yeah, no, turn up.
Make it something. Me never think.
So you want me drink it for you?
This might make you lock them by 8 and I'm 24.
And
That's
the-
gonna shock you.
and
But
the-
now what you yourself. They are going to go and mind to you. Go on. I don't look bush this, tell him. I'm not gonna come on here. We don't have a shirt. Who over there? So make Ali and him alone and take her. You know nobody's over the yard. Oh, so she can't miss. You look like you want to wash too.
Yeah, I got cash for shop today.
Cash for morning.
Man, I collect the baby there from the father, you know, still, you know. And then I come back. But wait before me go. Because Nisha no.
I got me go visit you, you know. My phone, I'm going to my phone. If you go send no money for me, buy my phone.
So you could buy one out of 500,000?
I got the money, their business money. Call her, you share though. Sis. Hello? Wow. There you are, yeah, alright, you good? Yeah, so far, you know. Place cool. They can't speak, you know.
Hello?
I'm turn up my phone.
Oi. You can't send the money come give your niece.
I wish I could, probably next week, you know, say. I just come here 1 year, you know, I'm there. And I tell you, say, place rough. You know, I'm not straighten up yet. I want money too, so no money for me. So what you would do with your money? 1 year over the farm. Look how long that the money they done. Yeah, me know what me say. Why they do with the rent? No business. What me they do with it? So the business? I want money. I know me hungry. Probably next week, I say I can send something come for you and the baby. How much I can send? How much I go send? I can't tell you how much I can send you yet.
You know your girl says she's not straight over there yet.
Alright then.
You could answer off though.
Bob.
I don't know about them.
But go and behave himself though.
But baby so bad, you know.
Backside. How can a baby baguette?
Suppose one little boy me here there say.
Jesus Christ. Look a boy. You could all not feel it.
I don't know if I feel more than feel, I believe.
But wait. Before you left, Bob, there's a Bob breed woman. And I want you know. Don't let people want it.
That's what me ask you. Why I know they say?
Ali a picnic will be playmate. No, that be playmate.
No. Media breed long before.
Yeah, but that the same age, we couple months apart. Exactly.
Long before. Remember when I left next 2 months would happen?
You don't have baby next 2 months. Yeah, but baby will be couple months same way.
So my people don't wait.
You the band same way, the band same way. But you know have people that with me there you know say me can't depend on the phone, we show to the back. Just remember me now.
Oh, they work?
Yeah man, I work me there. Send some baby clothes and pampers. You pregnant?
Alright.
No, for my sister. Yes. Baby wants some more pampers and take care. Alright, later. She made me pregnant. I must defend my niece.
She at work, where sons are silent.
That me as a.
You know say I go up on the road?
Yeah, I live right now. If you're alone, later.
Man, come out of my room, man. You have your own room now. One of them I feel like enjoying now.
Man, you know what? I forgot to say you did hang out with baby clothes, the man hang out with you in the evening.
But you must have scared that man.
Come out of the place and out. From morning. Water! I'm not from them, not pure not okay, no. Water! Yo, mo have a shower you know in the youth. Jesus. Water!
What's on backside? Sister call me. Put it on speaker.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, go on with.
Me there, you know, they are sitting outside.
You know, me they have a turtle and me they want to send you come go, you know, still.
$30? What $30 can do for me and the baby?
You know that man can't afford.
Hey sis,
Yeah, Alia.
you know me have some step to you about Bob for another day?
For other day, for last year, I mean. How long now we not talk?
Whatever I want.
Look how long we talk from
Me not talk
2018.
about other day. Bob getting a trouble other day, you know there, so how you gonna know when Bob getting a trouble?
When you get to the way I'm doing now?
Right now Bob there in a jail and me don't have no money to go bail him cause the money where you left give me after me baby me can't take you go bail Bob.
You was in the man and me send it back.
You chat about how you can't find no money. You $30 you send for your baby. You chat
Yeah, man, but you know me African.
you have to go send me $500
Yeah, man.
for me, for Ali and the baby and for bail Bob.
Yeah, man, the other week I do that, but for now, Alia, use yours and me give you back next week. Yeah?
Alright.
Yeah, alright.
Remember
Hey, baby.
Baby alright. Remember now baby money me have to
Yeah, man, I'll give you back next week.
Alright then.
I mean, want my little money, so but I make fee business, go spoil my business, you know.
So,
you need to call Baba and talk to Bob. Baba give you trouble out here.
Alright, when he come, we talk to him. I not even have his number again. When to change his number?
I don't know when to cannot even make him call him phone and get it.
You must change the number then.
Alright, the way I don't have any money fast and quick.
Me I'll send the $30 now and next week I send back. I'll do that one.
Alright.
Take care.
The $30 for me alone then.
No, for you and the baby.
Alright. I'm going to do what $30 can do. Alright, later.
Yeah, man, take care.
$30 for me and baby. That the baby they want pampers or feed me. And when me get out of it.
Nothing, you're not forgetting nothing. She like $500,000 give when you go you take your and done in a cash pad. You're too greedy man.
You don't want to do with my money?
You just hurt me so. But you don't have nothing more to do with money, you blow out your money in a cash pad and then I put about 30. Now you come so.
Yeah, alright, you know. And you give me money?
Not because me not give
you. You never give me money for me born it.
You thief me money though.
Look how long that.
I could have 20 years ago.
Look how long that. For 2017.
Me still remember it.
You're trying to make nobody thief nothing more for you.
Nobody, all you want Bobby now always be thieving one.
Bob no there. I know me touchy. A Bob touchy and me talk and Bob take you.
Exactly. When they show Bob where they go. I know me should have get $20,000 on a thief.
Sister, give it back door.
Now give it there.
Somebody come to go on to work in my man.
You know some brother get locked up though. You see Ali call your phone.
No, my phone never did have to work for a man.
I call your phone to see if you can go bail him for your money. We give you back your money.
I was going to station in a pub.
You know some look at the police station.
Alright. Alright, what am I going to do? I'm going to get my paperwork then. If I get my paperwork, I'm going to check out. What your name? Alright, so I'm going to check out it. I'm going to look at the guy. But what do you now?
I'm here to the boy walk up and we are talking in a year.
Yeah, I will try to encourage him to get a train, man. He needs to get a train. I'm going to look at work. You know what I mean? Alright, so I'm not rush to go bail him then. I'll bail him later. Since him, you understand? You have to get a look at Robert. I look at the consequences. But I saw you go. One thing you have to learn in a earth. You do not thief unless you're a politician. Right? Because when you're a politician, if you're a thief, you will not get locked up. So if I did say I want to not thief, we do want to not thief when I type it through. When you know want me in the me don't want to go in a politician. I don't know if it's too late. But me go one night time then go yeah, me Deportee. I run for Prime Minister in our country. Because when me take a piece of money, nobody cannot touch me. Because me like that rule then. So not talk to you. Because you cannot say you want thief and you're not going to the place where you can thief. If you have past, you're supposed to can thief too and get away with it.
You're not thief, nothing big, you're not being taken for this.
Ah, boy.
No, just deal with the few man, we give back your money.
You know, saying it's that you want opportunity, you know. You want to live a big life, but you don't know, say big life not come so easy. But anyway, we're not too talking, man. Yo, what going? Yo, me feeling good, yeah? Yeah, me feeling it. Chef! Yeah, I did it. Morning.
Morning, Deportee.
Why, if I want to call me Deportee, not remember my name. Well, I love calling me Deportee, so everything I say I want to have a set up.
So that everything is a deport man, so we have to call the Deportee.
Listen me now. What's my daughter then?
You know, so she's still there at school though. She not coming in yet. She's supposed to be at school, you know, she not come back yet.
At school, the other day, you know, me I bring her go up, so you know, because I want to go know her with her family.
Yeah,
you understand?
Yeah, man.
Because she come out, sit down when she has 7, and she don't know all her family. I carry her up there, she spend some time with them. You understand? After that, me make she come down back. You know what I mean? You kind of business is now and then still, but you know where you go. Alright, so, where me answer door? Where is sister by the way?
No, man, she the up the road, man. She not come till night.
All over the place, man. Nothing all over the place when you look walk. So we have to be shocked though, because I want them to share it for you know. Because if your sister let you with it, no, call me phone, man. Call me.
It's a one different.
No, I wonder. I don't really think about it. Because I go up to spend some time and do some things. But when I come back down, we consider it because when I say no, why you have a shop and you go and tell them nothing now?
Why?
What about good join there?
You have to use up your money, man. To use up your money.
Yeah, what you use the money doing now?
Everybody is supposed to
up at the gambling shop, you get dirty money. So I'm searching data for you. Hello? 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 This signal is so bad. Anyway, I don't carry too long.
You know, so she gone up the road then. I know she will come back.
Come here, call her phone and I get it from one day, you know. Only anytime I have to send her money, I get for her phone because from what they not there and I have to deal with some things. Because I have to bill and house up so. You understand?
Yeah.
Now I'm housing and so. Girl, can I tell you something? In 2015, I oversaw run some money campaign and say, alright then, I'm not coming back to Jamaica. Family, everybody I call me, say if you send the money come to bill up. I say, I nah bill nothing down there. I nah come back a yard. I turn over foreign. So I over foreign now. Every time I make a money, I there every party, I wear the latest, I drink the greatest, and so I go on, you know. So I nah touch back Jamaica, you know. And I didn't know. So you know I go. You spend money so you get yourself in a little trouble. Right? But there is one girl I know. And then our best friend want me to, you know. So our best friend seduced me. So she tell me some ears and push her tongue in my ears. And if she do that, you know she get what she look for me. Fix your business so we have 2 friends them now. Whap, 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 whap. Only if you know say. The next friend find out. And I say, alright then. She realized I'm not straight over there because I run after, you know. I get a little opportunity. And I say, see you on the run, I run for better. But in the process now, I get caught up in the flesh. The flesh nice. You know, in flesh nice. So you want in more flesh. Flesh. You understand? So what you go on now? When she find out say me knock her friend to, you know what she do? Don't call the feds them long time, you know. And then she start ball out. Why? Then on top of that, you know, she make me and her start do something, you know, then she has to box me. Box me on the face and I got to buy and it's a harder. I got to buy, it's a harder. So you know when police come, the 5 fingerprint in her face, then dip eye. See, I come back to Jamaica. Only the clothes on my back, I come back home.
Rough like a dog.
And when I come back, all of my family, them turn them back against me and say, oh, well, they are fine at the place or they're Billy. So I say, alright. But you know, one not dead, no dash you, you know. I make some bomb now. No, so I'm a real warrior. 7 times rise, 30 times fall. I'm still stand up. So I just make some bomb. Listen to my ears in the street. The 1 and 2 things I can't talk about. Get me some foot back on foot. Buy myself a local vehicle. And just I live easy. Right? I live easy and just go and take it easy. Right? So, I saw. But for me come back, everybody know. Say, them people me now, everybody start calling me Deportee. That's where the name come from now. That's so the name come from, Deportee come from where to me get dip from foreign. But we come back, we turn myself back into a man. Me no beg, me no sponge, me no scraper. You don't see it? I will put money me give your sister. Your sister is still lazy, you know. If your sister never lazy and do so much things, should have money. Because like, give her money. Take money, girl. It's easy. Take some of give her money. Me just give her money. You understand? And when me start money done and no kind of thing, you go cheat me, you know. Chicken plan cheat me, you know. Me say no money now again, you know. You get money, so now you have to give me something now. My name Deportee, but my money not running for free. You get the money, so now you have to go take the next thing. You want money too? Can you good door?
Come on, me good. We just there. And kilo. 1 and 2.
Anyway, you're in a fall, so I'm going to go over, so here.
Alright.
But when the sister come, tell her what me tell her say. I want the baby to go up for a while, for 1 2 months.
No man, when she come in, I don't even know what time she come in. You know. She has sometime I'll niggle at night she reach her.
Alright, that's a fair business.
Alright. You can buy 2 cash cards for me till we go on the road. More number 4. 50 by 50. Yeah, man. We so forward for the road, man. Yeah. I'm going to do what about that.
That's like down. The way I do ya. Come look for no more tired. Okay, stressing man.
Stress it out.
Aliyah! Tired. Aliyah! Sister Daya! Get them man, you make your body me come. Sister Daya! How we are do ya? I'm so stressing man. So I'm not going. My sister, you idiot! You don't lose no weight. What happened?
Which part weight can lose and find?
You attack like a loose one. So I'm not going.
Oh yeah, dear.
What's the back mommy I do?
You say come look for me.
Sure.
You don't say now come back to Jamaica?
No, well, I come back
Me
now.
surprised.
I come back now. What is the problem?
So would I go back?
We don't know yet. Soon. Go next week.
Yeah.
So tomorrow we are going to go and buy something. You know? Tomorrow we're going to town and cheat, you know.
So your money there.
You come. You don't know your needs. Look. You can't text it. You don't say make a go and go look for your needs.
I know
You say
you're
tired.
with your father. So I know I have to go in there. I know she not cut there now. And she don't come around and come look for me. Because she hear me more. She know she not there. She there now? Exactly.
Give me your money no man. Bye-bye.
Come to your money, man. Come to your money. We get you for that shop, man.
Baba and Ali are team for everything.
Hey,
Everything there.
Let me get tell her no, you hear? You see,
Everything
money
Ali
you
say
sell.
want something for go cook for the baby, something for the
Tiana, stop tell lie now, tell her if you stop it.
I'm back.
It's alright, it's alright.
Every day,
Lisa, look for me.
But with the friend name
You see, every money Tiana making in that shop, she don't buy back no good, she just got the cash back shop.
I bring the 25 now if you do better, you know?
Right now, more money for if you go on the road. But just can't see by that if you buy one number for me.
See,
So
same
I
thing.
go pay him and come.
Anyway, it's a bad place.
You know.
Bob!
You want Bob son?
Is it there? His son. How much
Almost a year.
How much son? 5 or 6.
Almost a year. One son.
And I think today. That man got for girl give by jacket.
I know Bob she.
He look like a fat boy though. She's take out a jacket. You take it? No, never take it.
Me say Bob Gigi and someone lick up the road.
It's a scared of the fake off.
No, but that's why, you know.
Oh,
the TV got teeth.
The baby?
Which
I
baby?
don't know where teeth for.
TV sell and get catch. You can't leave and get
Him can't stop now, you know, a full time now he stop. So me I go lie down, so I remember me can't lie down, you know.
Go back to the your room. Go take back your room. Take you back. Alright?
So me can't lie down now your room.
Take back your room, not for your room. Go take back your room.
So me I go in, go lie down, come here, for the flight long.
And you have to go live with him baby father now.
Can't lie down.
Because the bed
You
can't
chat too
share, we get
much.
overbeat though.
Alright, when top like me tonight, me I go in. Look more,
So you
right?
see why nice suitcase before you go in, no man?
Tomorrow.
Me I come on the right now. So
Me I go sleep, me head hurt me.
One.
So tomorrow we go in and go buy something.
So that's where you come down. You didn't see a big old jazz I print out.
Yeah. Yes, if you talk
You know,
about
that
it.
life not agree with you
If you
at
talk
all.
about it. But no matter with it.
Oh, that look at you same years now, you know.
No matter with it.
Like
What really happened?
I don't know. You say can't look for me, so put up cover, I don't know.
You believe that?
You can look mash up. So like you not no money, because money for give me. Oh. My money, me a different, they are different money too.
Look how much things the girl do for you. You know, fix your time, you stop being a leech.
The whole of me and this stuff, they might in your mind.
You don't mind me anymore. If 500,000 away, give me I do good with you.
My backside, for 2017, he give me 500,000. At 2025 now. That done. That done long time.
If you invest in something, you don't have money now.
Long time that done.
That's disgusting.
That about 10, how much year that now? 7 years. Who are going to keep 500,000 for 7 years and you know done? Unless you have in your account and put money.
Hello, I get up off my bed. Me tell her sister saying can't go sleep. Tell her sister I knew she me up on my bed.
No business.
Get up with a dainty body.
Me nah move.
Me come on, they come sleep on my bed.
Me nah move it up.
What you go for? You don't like people on my bed, man.
Go on, go sleep.
What's like you know be this for man?
What time?
You're bright and fierce.
Yeah, let's stop there, what time?
Every day it costs me, you know. Every day it costs me.
You know, I go stay here, you know.
Where I go?
Me I go hotel.
Hotel.
So tell me
But you
say now
can't,
money.
but you can't stay. Nobody not really come at tonight. The baby not come back till.
You never spend time to make made up, me man.
You tell me say
Sorry.
no money and then when you
Sorry,
got
man.
I you know I give you money again now.
Stop pestering girl about money, money,
You have a money problem. And me never yet see her win cash pot. To say you give me the money, I say the money can't give
Even
me.
if me with cash, what me not tell you now.
Oh, so you want me to give my
Do
money,
not
money,
give-
money, money,
me
money,
tell
money,
you.
money,
Do
money.
brother
not
Ali
give
would
her
get
your
this
money.
Yeah, but that's brother thief.
Yes. but me-
Only thief, gonna find it, lad. This one
Tell
time.
me bed and sleep, yeah.
Me I come and call tomorrow, I come go no, me I go no.
So, how you do book hotel?
Yeah, somebody can book it for me.
Alright then.
Yes. Pause and then say book.
No, come back tomorrow, call up phone.
So, you do book hotel?
Yeah, man, I book one hotel for me come and me I gonna be my house soon.
Start from my house.
You can't call it video, I live in a
You know when you come take out the cement out of the block?
You know, it's everything me not touching nothing, me will
Alright
talk
then,
and
safe
see
travel
the
for you.
Yeah, so there gonna be one 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom and balcony.
So,
So,
you know, you could change for another money. Why you can't have money?
me not got no money.
One. You hear what she said if she wins, she not
You say so when you're not even gonna remember me, so if you're rich like me, you're not remember me, you're gonna suffer.
I'm going to remember you.
When we don't be most now, when we don't be most now, go back up.
The one they cost me every day, me not give up.
Alright.
One later.
But now I put suitcase like I don't want to pee for no more time.
No, in everything.
You want to carry with them.
Remember say Bob no day ya.
Come back the baby day ya.
Me tell her say she not come back till the next 2 days.
Oh, weekend before she come?
Yeah. Cause your father buy something for her, man.
And next time when I go and find out they come back, the way that they big on a panty there.
And that them set up the big panty. Then they say little panty like out here. Be a bingo. That's why I get the money because the bingo them not hold nobody.
Alright, go on later.
Later.
So why you acknowledge your sister panty?
What big? You big for two. I go and grow before you
Let us do. Guy grow in your room. Look at the little sit down on my bed. Could they?
How your sister do it?
My sister not come back so dirty.
Later. You don't cook tonight?
So me not have
Tough line.
come pressure me. Do ya?
You know what? I say that me go fi ask you, you know. Cause me I say you tell me say you nah come back, you left everything for we. And you nah come back. So me want to ask you that why you there now? Why?
Sorry, good night, sorry.
Good night.
Good night.
I'm good.
Yeah, we're good man.
Everybody good?
Yeah man, good man.
Alright, just a part. Just be careful. Because a lot of
Yeah, man.
hoodlums they around us, so I bite.
Yeah man.
Yes, man?
Yeah. Back to what we that time.
Wait a minute, about the money.
I'm on the phone to Jamaica.
Alright.
You need to explain yourself. No, explain yourself.
For what? Explain what?
Oh come, I did dip you.
No, it's not your case. Look for me, I'm look at my knife. Dip what?
You put out one for weight still in
Oh, them to dip me.
So when you come back you say you run off and you're not coming back.
We just miss one.
Remember say you tell we say you nah come back, you run off. So me I wonder why you're the here now.
And the next, listen.
Wait, the one on there. What the point?
Yeah, she try dodge the conversation we are trying to have right now.
Are you about
me? I don't hear.
And I see me time.
No, let's wig over there.
They left me tell you one of my earphones.
Well, you love one hairstyle, so.
And then she tell me say she go to the hairstyle, you know, in a 2017, you know, when she had left, you know.
So we not change it. No, I change it, but I change it, but we don't feel the same way.
Oh, I understand. Okay. What kind of family? So like when you come in,
I'm never
money to me. Money?
Yeah.
Money.
We talk about that one again.
You want to talk about the money?
More one juice now still, you know.
So come on.
I can't.
Don't mean again like your boy we don't find you come here. Come on.
Yeah, yes, okay.
And you want to see your bike?
Yeah, man, them have no cover, man.
Alright.
I'll go over there.
I know she can't come out of him so like you buy a whole heap of sick for me, man. Right now, me this they have some approval this tomorrow. Two of them figure baby if you go to school at morning time.
I'm going to eat one burger. I'm not burger. I wonder if she can buy.
Oh, you have to eat burger. You don't say you're bigger. Do you come so? All I want to know what she get now. You use the gamble it out in the shop up the empty now, you know. She left the shop here and you don't need a cash pot. And you don't need $500,000 she left here in a cash pot. I know you want she see one come to Jamaica, you come buy a burger. Kind of style that.
You come all my money where me get, but she left for me. I mean, I complain about your money. I don't know how your money spent, I don't know about my money spent. Don't.
You know, girl, remember say me have a picnic. She have to go to school. Me have to buy breakfast a man time. Me have to make sure she get something to eat. Plus me have to buy school bags, school uniform, school shoes. My money go to good use. Where your money there? Gambling shop.
No, remember say for 2017 and 2025 we no man.
What that's about?
I don't saw something pass back in 2017 we are talking.
Hold on, honey. No, you're here when you're here to share them.
When I share? Yeah. I don't know we share it. So all you buy this and people that try to sell for me and that with sweet. This is the one.
Okay.
You're too turbo.
No, this
You
one
want to take it.
Me see you look for this. Some of the things that this is want to see you look for it.
Alright.
That means I want to take it.
Come on, you Lord man.
What that?
That's it.
Do a pull man.
But if I do a poor, you know, I don't want to buy Jane. Like me, baby.
What go on?
Me there.
You come back with the suitcase again?
Yes, my love. Me and the man pick up.
Which man?
The man at the booking hotel for me.
You think you say you book your hotel?
Me tell somebody book it for me. And I'm tell you probably never done listen. The man have the money why the book your hotel. Me and him kick
So
off.
can you kick off?
One heap of something. One heap of money problem all the time or something and we can't bother. So me I come back and go and bunk here for a couple of days.
Oh, look, man, you can't take that side.
Because you know, say my son build you over son.
Yeah.
Me not going to be there for long.
Yeah, man, no problem.
Everybody there.
I don't know if Tina she there, you know, and I don't know about there. And me alone there.
Whenever you can come here, come see Bob. For me come, I say Bob. You go pay on it. Me try calling phone, me not get it.
Me I tell say come like Bob block all me too, man.
If I'm coming up on the phone,
you know, say I want to sit me alone.
you not cook no food. You hungry?
Me not run your food, I cook.
What you cook?
Turkey neck and rice.
Kind of turkey neck?
Curry.
Thank Jesus. Long time you get that to me? Full of pepper?
So I need move so.
Yes, I'm a bit. I'm maybe cool, which one?
I don't know what to say, I don't know
You want to sleep? You want to cook your food, you go sleep?
No man, me so done man, I just dry me and make it dry and then me go eat and go to my bed because show me there do something sitting for a morning. And by tomorrow regular go.
Some morning me just come in but me and the man did an argument so we just get a chance to come out like that.
You look tired like you don't sleep no man.
And last night if I'm going in and see them me and the man argue. If I'm going to go back up.
Oh, say I build a house and then go back.
Like I come over, build it, and then left again. Probably wait till I'm ready to come back.
Yeah. Alright, me go say if we can take a little 5, just like half 5 for money down here and shirt if I want to eat.
Alright, so you left nothing to Papa and...
Yeah, me I feel like food for them. I one time they just annoying.
So you take a little.
Yeah man.
Empty.
What mean empty?
When me left here in a stack out. Such a pure empty box.
What me a pop up with me?
Pack up your shirt. A cup. For the
I
what?
can't sell.
For the salon have in there, shop?
As you can see. Oh, no brush up.
So it's... Anyways. And I really that me come out. I come to tell you say me I go on back the shit. Where you fix up the empty shop from? Where me think they want to fix something in here?
So I can come across.
No! not cuss. I'm not the probably loud. I'm not cuss, but the whole of India does. I left it, I ask that question. Don't let me go left in a stock, no?
Yes.
I'm going to give money. They couldn't stop back the shop after you sell and sit there. You never sell down.
It broke down.
You take your money and go buy a cash pot.
Me soon make some money stack up back in shop. Hold on, no man. Why you hurry me so far?
The way you said, you have to stack it. I don't want it back. Because I don't understand. You so you're so young and careless.
No. Why you bring me go one back in shop?
Me have to need it back because you want
No, don't give me. I'm not get back.
Alright, well, the gear when it starts, now it's empty.
No,
you don't want it, you
no,
don't need it. So me have to take it back.
me not gear back. Me not gear back.
I know what you want to do.
You don't know where you come back.
I know where you want.
Don't chat about you want back this and you want back that. You don't give me shop and me not gear it back.
I know what you want. I want to happen. Put the one lighter. See? One big bucket with one body for garbage.
I want to joke can't make but take back with you.
Look at me, friend. Look at me, friend.
Kill out problem here, man. You me come go this one. Cause I know you not get back no
I
shop.
come back here, come in and stay in the empty shop. I'm in the empty shop. Eh?
Huh? But you know what? Matter of fact, take back your broke down shop.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Jesus.
Can win it, because I don't know what kind of sister
Thank you, Jesus.
you give me a shop and then I can't take it back. What kind of sister you
buy too much cash right now. We ain't gonna come clean
Go
rubbish
yourself,
then.
man. Take your shop. Take
Come
your
clean
shop.
rubbish then.
Don't take clean out yourself.
Don't want to kill this, eh? Man, so with 500,000, one shop full of good things. You take it by cash box. And you don't make a half in a life, you still each up in a piece of room, one left. Sit down, sir.
I want to sleep right now. Come
You
down.
want to sleep?
I not sleep good last night, take of your girl.
Right.
Look at bed big and broad. Me the way over here, so. Your foot in my back and kick me. You kick you. Me chop us last night, you know?
Yeah, we can't even touch you.
What you mean by you don't touch me? No, I want you hurry up and be up this, you know. Because I remember that in my mind now, you know. And I see him say, if my daughter come down here, I'll kick her. Look how far they are me the way over here, so how your foot reach over here, so. I say you sleep bad. You sleep close to the altar now. Jeez.
You know what I like you tell? But do not touch you. But don't sleep bad. Look how the bed big. Are you good that you are kick me? I think I may kick you.
Me I eat that.
So me I eat that.
So me coulda kick you and jump off over there, so. Last night.
Me not argue about the bed, you know. Me not argue about the bed. Are you on here with me?
No, me not run with this.
Are you on here with me? Because you tell me for hurry up and come out and go build my house. That's what you said a while ago.
But 1 week now.
Wait now. Matter of fact, you know, I want back my room. I gonna need it back. Since it's gonna be a problem for me sleep with you till I don't build my place, I want back my room.
What you mean by you want back your
I
room?
don't mean what you mean, what I mean. What you don't ask what I mean, I say I want back my room.
Well, I don't my room now.
You the Billy?
Are you Billy? And mommy and daddy dead left.
And I'm in the
I don't business. You could
I'm
have made
in
bigger
the
one so
I feel me in the
more.
panic.
Don't give me tanga foreign 7 years ago say I go look. You go run off and now come back.
That I did.
So,
That I did.
so
When
you
we want
know,
to back now.
I can't get it back now.
We ain't
Because me find the land paper and me make sure I put my name on it.
What you say?
So you my name there for it is 7 good years.
So what you mean I change my name? So how you get my signature furthermore?
Further easy contact a lawyer and tell a lawyer say you're not here. Obviously he not see you not come down there. You're not in.
So I want to do fraud.
No.
I want to fraud my signature.
You did done say, yeah, give me 30, right? I lie me I tell.
That's a day, like 7 years ago. When I come back now, and you run me and want back my room.
Listen me. You see, me not come out of this, you know. So me I gonna have hell in here. Because me, in here me raise me pitney.
One way or the other, you shall live.
Okay.
But I'm being
You come.
you
You know what I feel? Say,
the one look we deport you.
I send Trump. Because media here, you know, Trump at the port, everybody
The TV are very good for you, and this is what Trump has said.
Oh,
Your ears are very good.
The idiots.
Your ears is working properly on TV now.
So why has that come up, you come out?
The wrong thing you worry about right
And
now.
you come out broke. And then I take you in the supermarket to buy one juice. You buy one juice to me and my sister for share.
Because me want to check for no weight, to no big.
Which weight? Well, if you drink one juice.
And eat cake, me don't want to get no bigger and big already.
You're broke. Just admit it.
Anything you want, I will say, my love.
And first thing you
Well,
know, in the day when you come the day, and you say I go back to hotel. By the next 2 days you come back and say, yeah man, my man you tell we say you rent hotel now. In next 2 days you come back here and say, a man rent
somebody went to hotel and me I'll go at the hotel. Never tell me rent the hotel, don't tell like for me.
So all your house can start all now.
I told me not tell you, but it starts.
Where?
Me now tell you that. But it starts.
And you lie down here in a bed all day, every day, and how start.
Come in now for God, you tell the what man they want to do already. Stop watching me, just know say. One way or the other, you shall leave.
You not get the room here. You don't give me
out of here.
this thing.
Nah, I do you. Oh.
I deport. I got alone to tell me to get deport.
Goodbye.
Then send your trunk, kick your little out your back. Go one back home, right?
Morning. Well, go on, good body.
Good day, every day if I go up now. When we get up now, but we don't have to dance and the chair and go, so you know them. You know the one them finger fairing.
Then I go on look to.
How much game you win already?
Well, a 5 game. We are going now a 6 and then we are going 5-6-1.
How you win the game with you?
I mean, I win, man.
You have to watch it now. But you're not gamble, not gamble though.
Yeah, man. You know the
I mean, I go read it up. That's one day I pay for him. Get up and down. Push it
But
back.
yeah, the shop full in stock. I am not opening the shop door.
I say I'm going to go around the bathroom and I don't want him to touch something. I'm going to lock it up. He didn't take him and just him and just dry because him finger fearing.
So I go on.
Him finger fearing, but I don't want him to go nothing here, man.
So I go.
Take him by one Malcolm. By one Malcolm. I know I'm thirsty.
Drink this one.
But I give Bobby money if you give me now.
No, man.
Oh, okay. But if you're going to play the game, you short me camera about me over there.
Yeah, man.
Say so like you don't want to talk to me.
But me ever want to talk to you?
Oh, alright, when you're done, more and chat to you.
Alright. I last give this up.
Alright, just call me.
Alright. Style and name young bud, no stamp. The fool of camel. That can't move again. That can't move again. That can't move again. You lose, man. When I find and I play the game back in the time, you know, man, everybody could have, I just make all that money off. I tell you, yeah, man. You could have beat me.
You're not done yet.
I don't think I'm done, man.
Alright, man, more go in back, but I don't, you know, more lock up that shop here.
Alright, I hear that now. One more shot and the game done. One more shot.
Up.
So, all right, man. Bless you. So, all right. Come here, what you say? What you say I go on now? Because you take out of the game. Yo, it's a few brother there. You know, he's in the marginal. I teach him the game. What you say I go on this now?
Sure. I'm alright, you know. But I really want you to play and give them brother Deportees. You hear me say? Anyway, then that become both. Come here and say. Come here and say. So you never tell me say I'm my sister, they tell you I agree with you. And when you come here, they start Jumbo. Why is something named Jumbo?
And what about him again?
The dumb man, the deal, the expensive deal with me that talk to my sister them.
Yeah.
And then that cost something like so.
Yeah.
And you come with the Jumbo. That's something there.
Yeah.
And I say, beg you one. That day there.
Yeah.
And me I tell, make sure I him breathe, you know. She said, no man. Come here, I say, remember man, the video woman over there.
I'm sure
She said, no man, me not there with him. I say, make sure you're not there now. So, oh, you breathe, I know.
That was 7 years ago, you know.
It don't matter the poet, you lie to me.
But no, you never really asked me, but me I say, oh, what a walk a pumpkin belly. As some do that. By what? Because you know, for your sister cost me enough money, you know. Me just like, give her money. Me just like, so me I give her money, fling money upon her. And she just take the money to the one I tell me, say, Mama, stop to get the money, you know. Because you know, take the next thing to, you know. I bet say for your big sister, me there, give the money. Should I know for the long time. I said, what you mean by that? I said, come check me over there, sir. I may go there, and then we start do it. So now, bam! Two she start tell me, say she start have money stick me, say, yo, no. Not tell nobody nothing.
Oh,
money go
she
come
didn't care with you, man there. What she say, country?
Alright.
I do some work. I mean, if she get no money, because I mean,
she get money, man.
Me not see it.
I tell you, she get money, but what she do now, you like to take the money, and then she go out. All the time, we carry her out, you know, when I think she go on the road, we carry her go, but she have
remember me already did
carry her go spa.
Remember when we get day after me come in the shop, day after me come in the shop, you know, because remember me have to work.
Yeah.
So if me not go work and see them more, I mean, I have something to give them. So I mean, no want them in my shop, because you know them.
Then we take out the things. Yeah.
So when me get day after me come in a few 2 or 3 days, them, and me have work to go. So me would there and know when she go nowhere.
Yeah, me know, man, but that's how, well, you
but
don't know.
But me can't be this on lie to me for so long.
Well, that I never my place to tell you what really I go on, but me never want things loud up.
Yeah, right? But we shall make we know, man.
Remember, say me a woman over there, a wicked woman.
She still over there, by the way?
No, man, me not left her now. You know, man, I'm gone.
So
she couldn't get pregnant, you know, long me over there. I do it, and
me
now,
I do it.
And now,
we ain't really want to know about that, you know.
Now,
but me want to say, you know, still. You're not black woman live over there, because I never get to find out that, you know. You now have no space over there, can't take she and the baby.
Me no overdose against so much, you know. You know, somebody come, you know, say she with the baby.
Yeah, she tell me the baby with the country, some
country up on my family.
Country live?
No, me have a build a place up there, so I will show the baby up there now.
So the place over there still occupy?
Huh?
Nobody over there?
No, I'm not going to use the place again. No, and that. Listen now. Somebody else control the place. Lease out it.
Oh, you tell me?
No, lease.
Oh,
they pay me for a certain time.
Okay.
You understand? So your daughter, good. Because she there, she up my
so about the mother?
But the mother now, the mother makes him, yo, you know. Me and you know what going on, you know. I don't know if I tell them. Say me and you should have the same name, you know. I don't know if them have a female name for somebody when they get deported. Because we know say you get deported. Because me have links and then tell me say then catch you hide and a bed bottom me and your friend when ISA come. So you have to me already. I'm there and I just want to tell you say you're good man, know yourself.
Nah, worry man.
I see you take back the shop for your sister and give your sister a shop. It's a good thing they have a shop you can bounce back panny. So you have to take back one thing left with your sister with the reason that does make you money that shop and go build another place. catch you on there for a while, come in and come there now. Catch you on there for a while.
Yeah,
And when you're done, you take a time and build up and look a place.
When you're not talking about the part there right here now, Zing, but still I ask you if you never have no space over your yard.
Where you want now? The room was so nice. Yo, man, take shit between me and you. When me come check a sister and everything, you know.
Deportee, me don't want to hear about that.
almost make one more picnic in there, you know. Me I tell you,
But
the bed, when me and your sister roll, I mean I roll, so I know we can't jump off a bed in there. So mama, me I tell
Deportee,
you.
me never ask you that.
Listen now. I remember me tell them to call you, you know. Me tell them to call you, because anything can go on. Tell them, did they call you?
Or when they want
call
them.
But if they call and tell them to send the money come to build somewhere.
They
say you're not coming back. I mean, I tell them say, but you say before you go, you try to talk to me. Because remember, say when they call me deportee, you know, I get deep from over there. That's why they call me deportee.
I know hear about it.
So now you are deportee too.
No man, a man named deportee.
No, you're deportee.
A man named deportee.
Deportish.
Yes.
Yeah, deportish. So deportish, you never know say I get deported too. You told me I same boat. But you know, see me turn up back. And since we come back, you know, me breed your sister, you know.
Yes, I mean, I go back.
Yes, and I come back. So stop. You see, if you run on it. When I was left, you know, I said, I never will come back, you know. I left worry about things in the family. And I didn't. No.
Why?
I left them with it because I give them it.
So you never want
them? No, by right. When I give somebody something, you cannot take it back.
Says who?
Give me some of that right now and take it back. Wait, give me, since you can't take it back, give me some. Come give me some.
No, sir.
You can't take it back. When you give somebody, you should not.
You can't take it back if more because of mine.
No, but if you give me some, you can't take it back.
You can't tell me what we can't take back.
Alright. Anyway, I have things to deal with. I think that's different I talk to me.
No man, that me want to talk to
no man, it's good. Don't worry about that, man.
Remember to compare to the something.
Yeah, no worry yourself, man. No, every time I tell me, bro. Yeah, I really welcome. I have an expectation for a band.
So you don't have no money, can you 150 then?
You want know? I have a piece of money, but you come down late.
And I take too long to get deported.
No, not that. When you get deported, you know. One of my friends get deported too. Yeah.
A man?
No, a woman. She get deported. So right now she done check me already.
One of my friends then come down.
She check me for your money already, and me have to carry money go give her.
Is that already? Go take it back.
No, you can't. No. You see when I get deported, she one of them who give her respect. So we have to remember we good come from good go.
True.
Alright, so no worry yourself, but if anything go on,
yeah, link me.
I'm dropping a piece of money, you're good. Right. So just keep yourself safe and do not take out the place for your sister.
I don't do that.
Alright.
Yeah man, big up.
Alright.
That shop here.
Your niece love you, you know.
I love her too, but you know me, I can lie down because I that hurt me.
Alright.
Boy never pay me no money. They give me 22,000 and baby, they give me $30,000.
How that?
Well, I know, man. I want that somebody to give me 145,000. One word. That's what money me about there. And I want to give me 3,000. 3,000. Anyway.
Well.
Stop looking at my phone. Anyways, where did I come from?
What I road me there, what they saw, what I shop.
Anyways, you know what I'm saying? I want to cook some food. But more you can shop. Can you do that?
Yeah.
What you want to eat?
Anything.
Anyways, you remember when I call you, when I up so and tell you to link Pinky for me? You link her?
Yeah, I link Pinky.
So you never get back to me?
It make sense me get back to you. She said she not no money, she not give no money.
Eh?
Yeah, she said they are fine and you're alright. She said a long time that she no need to give back no money. She said she not give back no money.
Bob, stop the foolishness now. You play too much.
The girl said around 2017. 2017 that's 2017 till now she not have no money for you. She not have no money for you.
2017, 2018, 2019, 2020. And when I take for link out 2021 hour.
somewhere there, so, and the girl said she not no money for you. She said she not giving you any money over there, live big life. You eat big food, so you stay over there and eat a big food.
But 5 years that?
Yeah, how much money are you now?
300,000.
Well,
300,000 with the take 10 when I buy her one school shoes because I want slipper, she one plastic slipper.
Well, she said she not no money for you. So, sorry if I tell her that she tell me.
That's
why I never give her the news because it don't make no sense. I tell her because you never dare get no money. She said she not give you no money.
So you go back to her?
No.
Just a one time, like?
Yeah.
So she not left school long, so she not left school already?
She give back.
She left school long time, you know?
Then I fear her problem, then you give her money.
So, she start work?
I don't know. It don't look like she at work. I don't know what she do. You can take up money give Pinky. Pinky not go to school.
Eh?
Pinky not go to school.
Pinky go to school because Pinky like pass me one evening. Say I mean she been say over here she come from and I never did here. But I mean she da come link and she have a uniform. And once she pass I say I go buy you one school shoes. And she borrow it so she go do CXC. And I'm going to 300,000 for the CXC. So you tell me she not go to school.
I school in 2016 and you give Pinky money in 2017 for the CXC. Yeah. Pinky only wear the uniform, Pinky not go to school.
Me look at me too compatible so long. I say, what you say? Talk another year, sir.
Me say, Pinky start go to school for in 2016 and you go take up your good money in 2017 and give them time she not go no school. She only wear her uniform. She only wear the uniform. She judge the uniform, so she come in at the uniform.
Like it now work. Talk another one, yeah.
Me done chat, me done chat. Find her 2016 and a year.
So she tell me when you do that 20?
Either she got a party or she drink with her scammer friend them because she have all past scammer friend and she drink and she smoke. Pinky's a party girl. Pinky.
So Pinky take up her mama noticed a bit?
Well,
her mama is a drinker, you know, and a smoker, you know. I think
why you never find out with him, mother?
Because her mama is a cokehead.
Alright.
And she knows that she not have it. Me I say, a young girl, if I saw be the case, because she said she want to make better, I go give her better if I have the money. Eh? But, come to think of it. She look bright, you know. Because she always come to my paper say she get, but I never look on the ear of them or nothing. But she always come to me say she get 100 because me and her mother are friend, but to her mama. You know? Yeah, you know?
Yeah, me know.
But me I need my money though. Come go and shop for me.
Well, yeah, Pinky have got way money there.
No, worry about me and Pinky right now. Go along and shop.
Oh yeah, I trust.
But you don't have the money?
No, you give me money. You not take your money, give Pinky.
Look how long that.
Well,
look how long that.
Me not have no money.
So me never Bob go on. Me never when you go on. Go along. Eh? You're a thief, you know. You're just a thief. You can be buy food, you can now. Alright, you know. You drink water. I'm supposed to help you for bread. I want to take because you're not kitchen.
Gone a while ago. Go so fast. The good girl saying there now.
Might not be because I'm from video call.
For your mother in there?
Yeah. So me say?
No, I say my part of the movie. Then she'll come back down. When start to come back on part.
3-9.
Pinky!
On me I tell you.
What one girl?
Yeah, get good.
Come back and check your man. Here.
The way I do, man.
Alright.
And me I tell the man them say fi invest in a house. The man they know I invest in a house, you know. I'ma tell them say girls are jugs. Take on the money below us, man. But
Bob. Pinky shut up, but. Me hear she say Pinky. Pinky no owe me some money.
Tired.
Shut up, but. But wait.
Life is good.
Life is definitely good. You look like it's good for you. You look happy. Anyways, you remember when millionaire money in 2017? You see when I start work, you get big, you give me back, you get big now. You see like you all smoke and I drink all cranberry juice. One long time, I don't drink no more something. I don't want to drink unless my love. But I don't want my money now. Hey, me combo.
Remember which money? Let me tell you something.
Do you want to millennium?
No, listen, let me tell you something.
You hear me and listen?
You see the time when me yes, when me come and check you to borrow the money to do 5-6 CXC. Me never want no money for the CXC. I want party, me do want to take the money and go. Which me end up go 3 party out of that money there. So you know that go. I don't see everything there. So me not understand where you come, boy, you want back money now. Where you get money from? Eh?
You could have never normal to backside. What you mean, say? You take my money when me give you for say, me and lend you to better yourself. You take it go away?
3 different party.
So my money I go me want to know about you borrow it.
Remember how your money will go. Me don't use that already.
So me not get it back. Me not get it back. Me if you can't find something for licking your backside.
You think me don't know say I deportee? So through then send you back out now. You want money, you broke.
Get your facts them straight. You hear me? Miss Pinky. I am not a deportee. I am a deporterist. It's a difference. I am a woman. Me name deportee.
You're lucky. Man. Once you want name deportees or deportee.
Shut up there, son. Listen for me.
Are you fi shut up?
Boy, you want name, but don't slide.
Once you want name, where you want name, I don't slide. Me say, me don't out right now. So
well, me I gonna need my money back, Miss Dunce.
Go and take it from me.
Me I gonna need my money.
How you do? How you do?
I gonna need my money.
How you do?
Me need my money, child. Me need my money.
What you do?
I fight my money. You're too old.
Let me
go. Give me my money.
You want to call my bad friend?
Give me my money. Give me my money.
Hey,
I'm gonna come call me. Pinky, after she borrow my money.
You want me to call my bad friend?
Mr. Behave yourself.
Look at kick him.
Pinky.
Look at me go out in clothes.
Pinky. Mr. Behave yourself. Mr. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. Turn up your show.
Hello,
why so? Let me catch him.
I bet me call my bad friend them.
Let me catch you.
Turn up your follow girl alone now.
Hey,
hello, why so?
She borrow my money and I want to pay me.
I bet me call my bad friend them.
Come.
One over here.
Let me beat him. Let me beat him. Let me beat him. Let me bust up here. Let me bust up. Let me bust up here. Let me bust up here.
What the next? One over here.
You're idiot.
Go take your money.
Make her hold you.
Make her take your money.
Make her catch you.
Go take your money.
Go on the Pinky.
Go on my money. All arms up.
Go and take your money, girl.
Hello. Remember, say me and your friend in the youth. One down.
Alright, no worry yourself, girl.
Yeah, get grandmother trouble? No. Alright, differently from that though. You know, say auntie come from foreign. You know. She come from foreign, but she no cannot fear, you know. Because of them dip her. You understand?
When you dip, daddy.
Alright. Dip on like when you dip on the water, you know.
Me know.
Dip out like when you're there one place illegal and them take you out of them country. So then dip you down after your country. So she did dip and she back down there. You know, see your father when you get dip one time?
You?
Yes, that's why they call me deportee. Cause dip, deportee. That's why they call me.
But daddy, why they lock you because I have money for your shirt?
No, they not lock me because I have money for your shirt. I call money. I call me, I'm go on site. That's why I promote it for now. When money call, you on site. You know what money?
Yeah.
So me have to answer the call, and when the money come, you get money. Alright?
Yeah.
So you're good though.
But daddy, Mr. B is rich too, you know.
Yeah. You put in the work. In content then good. You know what I mean? So we not talking about that.
But then you know why Mr. B is rich?
Why?
Because he said Mr. B is chocolate and he make movie.
Oh, so in the merch. So one at a time then when I get big, you know say you have to go sell some things. What your name?
Leonica dad.
You have to go sell Leonica t-shirt and Leonica. You understand?
Things.
So that means you have to bright. So you can sign the contract and can do the things and do them. Wrong or right?
Right.
Alright. So you know, I want you come, go back in the yard. Me have to go back down, go deal with some things, right?
Yeah.
So don't worry yourself. Your auntie and your mother, you know, one sister sitting here now because she want back the room. You see a big room there? Where you born in and live in?
Yeah.
hand over for your mother, you know. Your mother is a lazy backside woman. Right? So she not tell me, I tell you, listen. She not have nothing for herself. Her sister when give her, that for your auntie when give her when she got foreign before you're born. So you can grow up in it, but no, she wants a bigger war down there. So you go stay up with her grandma for a little while, and then when the war settle down, you come back home. How you go?
Good.
Good. Alright, so you have money?
No.
Alright. I go left for money with you. Come on. I left for money with you. You buy anything you want, buy. Right?
Thank you.
You put on your money. If you don't have to spend, you don't spend it. Here?
Yeah.
Alright.
Now that's what I'm talking.
That's the thing, say. Me not get my room and like she tell her one way or the other. Eh? Well, and if you come down too, you stick me around with her. Yeah, then. So well, if you make it come down too, you stick me around with she. I got them more. Me a kick her up in her feet. Oh no man. So no. I think so. Come on, the last bench. Oi, come on, it's a TV, so we done cook.
Thank you.
I don't go for one spoon.
I know some not too like Irish and Caribbean.
No man, make that still. You know what, you yourself on that. Alright. Eat it. Me I'll put it on.
Alright.
Eat the food now.
So we are rushing for me so it.
Come on, come back and watch one show with the yeah. Take long.
No, me I find
Let
the
it
show
go.
and then.
Let it easy.
Alright.
You soon come.
So what?
Sister. Hello? I'll bring you food from the bed. No man, you don't want to start fresh.
I do my food.
For me.
Where you eat up my food for? Give me my food, man. Maybe a little fire so look a while. Go catch a one water, man. No. Maybe a little fire so. Excuse me. How are you? You know, see a grabbalicious for one boy pitney, I go watch, man I go wait what man I go do here. You love nyam too much. You go nyam till you nyam run sit no one there. You nyam so. What do you, Bob? Bob? Okay. Bob? 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 Tiana? Jesus Christ, Bob. Tiana! Bob, what do you? Stop ramping, man. You know, see you ramp too much, get up. Come out of my room. Yeah! Tiana, come here. Come take Bob out of my room, because you don't ramp too much. I need to get up.
How are you?
I don't know. I left my food in the kitchen and he eat some of my food and then he just start.
Bob!
What's up? Awa.
Yeah.
Wait. You know, she say boy dead.
That be foolish, boy. What if you kill Bob?
Bob!
You don't want to be foolish.
Jesus Christ. Let me call me detective friend. Jesus.
I'm the Bob. Bob!
What's up?
Come carry me to the hospital. Something to you.
You not breathing?
There's no little boy yet. Boy, you not breathing. Jesus Christ, the way my name so little.
Well, I'm man.
Wait, you want time?
You even one time you have to help me lift him up. Put him on the bed.
What do you have over this? Money. Go on.
Jesus Christ.
I am happy. Alia? Tiana? Bob?
Okay. Eh? Okay, the queer boy, you know, I give him a house. What's your fear one? Eh? Backside, look here. Teacher, they say one way or the other, I got to get my room. Yeah. Boy. I'm beautiful. Give me room. Look up the food before I see it. I'll play with you. I'll be office for me money. You can get deported and come and I'll be hoping to get money from. Yeah, man. You know, you say, Bob, Pfizer, Leah. They know me that hurt me, girl. Listen. Bob Pfizer, show me that she got to me, I say. Bob Pfizer, Alia. Bob Pfizer, Alia? Yeah, you know, yeah. So, how you know about the Pfizer? You know me about the Pfizer, live on the road. Oh, you know about the poison? I don't understand. Yeah, I agree there. But she eat the food. Bob get the food and she poison. So yes, the food she poison with. I watch the poison. She not dead? You think me don't know what go on? You think me don't know what you are do? Me know they got me sit down. Sit down now. She dead? Talk to me now. Yeah, waste my time. I want to lie down, you know. She there? Don't worry yourself. I got something for you. Yeah, pay my name. Look if somebody text me, yeah? Because you're the waste time. You're the waste time. You waste the Bob Pfizer earlier. Let me just say, you there? Yeah, you waste the Bob Pfizer earlier. Why in your room now? Sister, she just tell me, say, yes, the Bob Pfizer you. Eh? What you doing?
Bob Pfizer.
Yeah, my phone. So eat the food. You see your food you set. Think I don't know what's going on with you.
So
see your food you set for my sister, your brother and me. Jesus Christ. Bobby the food? Bobby the food? Hey. Remember me tell you something for you come. For your officer. Hey. Bobby the food. Why you never eat the food?
I mean, why do you eat the food? Officer, as I explained during my station, she bring the food from me, right?
Why you never eat the food?
And me never eat the food, yes, but me didn't want some water.
Wicked piece of sister,
so
you.
Get up, I go get catch one cup of water, I come back, I see my brother eat the food. So I start cussing and say, oh, you love me and people think so, oh, you think so, because he give no trouble, you understand? By the time if you don't tell him, I'm going to be interested until he just drop. so come because of my sister and my sister came to the hospital and they say poison dead. I mean, I don't know. And then now she come tell me say I'm needed for eat the food.
Hey, you kill me, brother. As much as we're friends. Hello.
And then she, I don't understand. Nisha will be ever there.
Sit over there.
Jesus Christ.
Hello, young miss, get up. Get up, because when the dog pies to the food, you never did that cry now. Get up.
I know me.
As me come in, me here say bad pies there. You ain't said the pies over.
God.
Get up, young lady, get up.
I know me, officer. Officer, I know me. God know I know me.
So you really do
Ask
want
God, I know
you
me.
say have a daughter, you a child pies me if you take me
Ask
from
God,
a
I know me.
over a room.
Yeah.
Listen, get up.
Officer, I know me.
Young lady.
Jesus. Alright, you know the last.
Ready? Imagine you left a girlfriend for in 2017 and you see you now come back to Jamaica, right? And you, even though you come back to Jamaica, you tell me say you want back a room and me tell you say you can't get it but because you don't give me it already. And you come to Jamaica want to kill your own sister over one piece of house, one piece of room, and mother and father gone left like seriously. You know say me have a pitney, what kind of sister you be? You tell me even call you how much time. And you tell me say you not come even other day before you come back done that 2025. Me call you. When Bob get locked up, me call you and tell you say Bob and jail, say if you use my money where you give me. And you go send it back. I'll know me not get back the money there and me do not ask you for it. You come and walk up poison food to kill me and say you kill me brother now. Over one room.
Have a true man. Me I'll call you in 2020. And tell us say if you buy one land and build one bigger house where we can live. And see they a killer sister for one little room. Me can't believe this youth. The wicked man. One brother when me have a kill. And then I come back like an innocent. Eh? You see the officer there tonight, you see, girl. But I shut up over there to a year.
I'm gonna kill him when you're wicked. Look a brother, I'm gonna kill him. Oh, wicked in the can be.
I better shut up over there to a year.
Land. When they see me, I live good life over there. Them the poor one me come do bills. If I get money from. Me go need money, the last money me have where me are going. The last money me go no. I expect to come back and get me room and you come back give me show me bad face. Is a wicked girl there.
Nobody now show
Only
no
the
bad face.
wicked
You come
girl.
with your wicked heart.
Enough
of
for
this.
the kill back. Oh wicked.
Hello, enough of this. Enough of this. This is a family matter that needs to go to family court. Me not have time for this. Get up, young lady. Get up.
Prisoner make for me.
One time she come home, me ask her if she gets
Hello.
report. She tell
You're
me
under arrest.
Wait.
You're under the arrest for
Badminton back.
up. You're under arrest for the murder of Xavier Powell, other known as Bob.
Oh,
Yeah, kill people for land. Your own family. Where's my
I don't even want to see your face.
Officer, we can't give 500 to
and you're bribing the officer?
Hey, brother.
You're my witness, right? You're bribing the officer. Let's go. Let's go.
Push me now.
Imagine the one can't even have a nice night. Me have to come on duty. Listen, this officer don't take bribery. Give me a hand. Give me a hand.
You want money?
Give me a hand.
You don't want money?
No.
You don't have no picnic?
No.
You don't want to go to vacation? You know they not pay good enough.
You ever right for now come off?
You want?
Young lady, if you continue to talk, you see if you continue to talk,
You say you go on hard, you say them when you go a dance and take off 15,000 and you give 500 and you don't want it. Stop playing for hard, you link me back later and come for 500,000. Please,
have a wonderful night.
Please,
You go rot in jail.
Also, I give thanks to life, money down to the ground. You know, I take what you take and you go do what you do. We're there, I go and hold it off. So if you reach to the point of the movie, that means say you watch out the whole light. You know what I mean? And we do appreciate that. You know what I mean? With last movie I post a while ago, a long time I have a movie there, and I just decide, but I'm put it out, then have it put down because some problem make with it, we cannot really correct. So I try to correct as best as possible. So I do apologize for the sounds in that one. The bank money. But it's a good story. So no mind the denies, but you know, we do the best we can do. So life is like that too. So when we can say we don't want to create an image of perfect because life is not perfect. And we are not perfect. We really can do the best we can do. So that was one I cased them with that. So this movie just watched a while ago. Leave a comment, and if you're not subscribed, remember to subscribe. It's free. We want to catch 100K. So we subscribe only acknowledge that you have a good audience to watch. You know what I mean? So you're a part of the audience. Just click the subscribe button, notification button, and tell the world. So we're there. You know what I mean? Because we are fight a war in Jamaica, present tense. And that story that we just did is a touchy story. I'm not to go in depth as far as possible, but the next part them I go carry it further. You know what I mean? So in our world where a lot of people out to run off to go make life better, it's not a bad thing to try to get better. Because human beings have been doing that for a long time. Human beings left from where they were and go to a next place and kill off everybody there to make their life better. That's life, and that's like you when you watch the movies them where deal with dumb stuff, sort of stuff, you know what I mean? So we as a people, as human beings, have to look out for human beings. So who have to come back home, come back home. But when you come back home, come back with a plan to make it better. Because really and truly, Jamaica can be better. You know what I mean? And no guess or if or but, it can be better and it will get better. You know what I mean? So we can do the best we can do in this time. You know what I mean? But we want it better. For real. So we need to have more factories here, and we need to have a better payment system. Because the payment system is, I don't know if I can say shit for this, I will say that, but it's the worst in the world. We get paid worse, and what get paid in Jamaica can't buy food. You know what I mean? So that is it, and that's the reality. When you look on cost of living, you look on water, you look on light bill, you look on food, you know so the 5 grand thing can't work and 15 grand can't work a week because that don't make no sense. You know what I mean? My mother worked for 30, 40 years in a Jamaica and can't build her house. That me I tell you. And me I talk about normal work, she clean like 25 rooms per day. So that's not slavery. If that's not slavery, what is slavery then? Give me definition of slavery. You know what I mean? I look at Trump change in your pocket, I mean nothing. You can't live a good life. You know what I mean? I can't remember when my mother take her out and said, take out the family and say we could go somewhere go, but no, we can't go nowhere. Sometimes we can't go buy food, you know. You know about yam and oil, and them we look not for saltfish, we call it tomato. You know what I mean? Cut panny and them something there, you know what I mean? Look, sugar and water, they pick 2 lime, rare. So most of the time as a young youth now, what we do now, we try to find the fruit tree them. So if a mango time and we mango walk, then we go find the mango walk. So we have mango. If a pear time, we find enough pear, we get bulla, we get bread. We try to reduce the impact of that. You know what I mean? So when a one come and say them come to do betterment, them have to do it for real. And no chattings. You know what I mean? The country can be 100 times better. We are unique. We are paradise. But here we know, too much people are dead in the country now because of confusion. You know what I mean? There's no resolution. But the person them who's running the country, they can do 100 times better. And if they make the country do better, it's going to be better for them too. So anything about it, they can take more because there's going to be more here. You know what I mean? Create more opportunity if you bring in more wealth. You have more money around you. You understand? More money. So you not have to go and just go in night. Watch out now. You are tech, but what are you putting back? You know what I mean? We cannot say certain things because certain things are owned by us again. So you cannot boast about certain things that other people come in can do in the country. We cannot boast on it because it's not ours. You know what I mean? It's not ours really. So what are you doing for we the people? You know what I mean? So we do out here try to do the movie thing. Where is the bucketive? You know what I mean? And once it go international now, here come the problem. You know, once the money come in, here come the problem. So we as a people, we are messing up ourselves. And every Jamaican will try to make themselves better. It's just a hard world. You know what I mean? But still try, do the best you can do, you know what I mean? And do the right thing. You know what I mean? Just do the right at all times and survive. You know what I mean? We can't say much because any situation I want in, I could be in the same situation too. Not every one of them, but some of them. You know what I mean? But read between the lines, burn it down to the ground. You take what you take and you go do what you do. You know what I mean? So bless upon yourself, have a blessed day, stay safe. You know what I mean? Do the right thing. You know what I mean? And if bad come for bad, yard a yard, home a home. You know what I mean? And family member, if you say they never know for you, but still, after them yard, come back home if you have to come back home. Rebuild, you have to rebuild. You know what I mean? But apart from that, there is a lot of different places you can go in the world. So if one give you a problem, go to the next one. You know what I mean? We shall survive. We shall make it. You know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground. That means say Jammiwood, I go and put in the work. Remember to subscribe, like and share. No one no need to take offense from the truth, but the truth is an offense. You know what I mean? So you only can do what you can do. Still, but Jamaica, do better. You know what I mean? For the people them here. So nobody have to go nowhere. They can survive here. You know what I mean? Don't sell out everything here. Make nobody cannot stay here. And then when them go and I try, them have to go come back here. So it's gonna be problem here and I open here.